Ya
lo tenés a
estoy
mano.
entrando. Estoy entrando. Ah, qué bueno. Acabo de conectar el WordPress de MG y ya hice una publicación, ya están los artículos
Ok, ¿podrías por favor
bordados.
borrarlo? Ah, no me dijiste que estoy tan feo. Ah,
No lo
ahí va.
subí igual, ¿eh? Está en borrador, pero sí lo voy
¿En
a
borrador? Ok,
subir.
vale. ¿Podrías, porfa, compartir la pantalla?
Sí. ¿Para qué te estaba escuchando ahora? No sé por qué. ¿Ahí están viendo?
Recién ahora, sí. Nos damos un segundo, acá estoy con Tansen. Vamos a empezar a hablar en inglés para que no le sea un problema.
Hi
Okay.
Valentin.
Hello, Tansen. How are you?
Fine, and you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Okay,
Te
cool.
escucho doble, no sé si no pueden, ¿no, Juan? I listen to you double, but don't worry. I think you need headphones, but don't worry.
Okay, give me a second. I will try to. Okay, let's do only the. Just in case. But this, I put in mute.
No problem. And listen me to twice, not you. But
You listen yourself
no
twice.
worry.
Well, we can do the call with mine.
No, he's not
Sorry?
listening to us twice. He's listening himself twice.
Don't worry. It's not a problem.
Do you have the headset
Yeah,
that it
but
has to...
that's because of the computer. The sound goes out and it records it and it sends it to him again. So that's comes from you. Yeah, man. I know.
Do you have the
Buy
headset
a
that
Mac.
it is the... I have Mac.
Okay, so meet. Send me the link. We'll do with mine sound.
Okay, we are going to include Tansan
And we'll do the sound with mine.
because we like to do complex stuff, you know?
No,
Perfect.
we like to have a clear sound with a good computer.
Okay.
Tag, you send it by what? By mail?
In Jitsi, no?
Just
Okay.
remove the. Okay. Send.
Mirror effect.
Yeah.
Perfect. Okay. Hello.
So I just remove maybe the camera.
Yes, no problem.
Hello?
Hello.
Yeah, that's perfect. What's happening? What are you doing? Good.
Not me, eh?
So, okay, cool. Do you hear me?
Yes. Perfect. I hear you.
Okay, are you listening yourself twice?
No. I listen. Perfect.
Yeah, man.
Thank you.
Okay, so the plan is to check to do the final check for the Notion automation, the blog post automation also. So maybe how do you want to proceed? Can you show me, or we go together on the same thing?
We already prepared some stuff.
Okay, perfect.
I want to do step by step. For example, first we talk about AutoCAD if you want,
Yeah,
and then
perfect.
MG, and then Valen. Okay? Okay, perfect.
This is involving more you guys, so I'm going to be eating next to. So continue, please, and if you need me, I'm here.
Okay, perfect. Well, from AutoCAD, I think you see what we are doing. We automate all the social media we have. These social media are Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube. We
Can you show me
automate.
that?
Yes, yes. For example, well, this is for AutoCAD. We already have automate YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook for photos and videos. All days we have executions at time 1 a.m. That you say to me. The first question for me is if we must add some social media because we have only these ones: YouTube, TikTok, Instagram,
Yeah,
and Facebook.
I think for AutoCAD for the moment is good. Like for the videos about the cars, yeah, that's good. So, but is it linked to the real accounts?
Sorry?
Is it linked
Yes,
to the real accounts?
yes, the real accounts, all real accounts.
Okay.
For
So,
example, today, yes.
so I have to see the accounts. Like TikTok, the account is I don't remember the account on TikTok. It's
I
AutoCAD.
can share with you, I think, because which part? TikTok. This is the AutoCAD account. Do you want I share with you?
Okay, so I have to put the logo.
Yes.
What? Followers?
Sorry?
But okay, we have how come? Okay, we have 3,725 followers, but they, do we know if they are in New Caledonia?
Oh, after we can do the statistics. First, let's
I don't know.
let's finish. After.
Yeah, after. Sorry.
After.
It's myself.
Okay.
So, okay. So I have to finish the count itself. Okay, that's
Yep.
perfect. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
That
Think
we need to put
about
in the
it.
list, huh? Because
Oh,
that is for every
yeah.
single one.
Yeah, man. So, okay. That's amazing. That's really
You
amazing.
can see it here. It's okay. All published with the text. But I want to share with you. I don't know if Juan talk about the new tool we have to upload the photos and videos.
Yep.
Okay, but
Okay,
that's
perfect.
something else, no?
Let's try to finish one thing at a time.
Yeah.
Okay, AutoCAD, TikTok.
Okay. So TikTok, YouTube, so YouTube same and all. It's all the same. Okay,
Yes,
that's
but
perfect.
let's go one
Yes,
at a time so you can see
if
exactly
you
what you
want,
want.
I can share with you all accounts to use to see. For example, 9 hours ago, 1 a.m.
Okay.
This is Instagram.
Show the Instagram, the homepage. Don't jump in between like random, just finalize really each one. This one, this is something we need to fix, you see? The followers is not the same effect as TikTok.
Yeah. Maybe. Okay. Okay. Um. Okay, so that's very. But since how long did we start publishing on the Instagram? Since the beginning?
I don't remember. That you
No, automate since this publish, so no, this no. Can I see? I don't know when Alice do manually and change to automate, but maybe 3 weeks. Maybe
No,
3 weeks.
okay.
We
So
have
anyway,
fast.
okay, we'll work on that. You see, like the first image.
let's write down
Yes.
what we need to
You
work
you
on
see
bendings.
what the first image. The thing is that it's not showing the car. I don't know why it's not showing the upper part. You know, like the brand and the car itself.
What image do you
How we call it, the still image. You know, see, like we see the cars, we only see the same phrase, tu es à la recherche d'un véhicule d'occasion, but we don't see the upper part where it's written Range Rover or whatever, or you know, like it would be good to have this information there because it's more important.
and yes, before you see the video, you say
What he's saying,
You see the wall.
yeah, okay,
You don't
I
see
will say
the.
that in Spanish, sorry, I'm going to... él lo que dice es que la imagen muestra el texto que está abajo en el subtítulo y ese
claro.
texto no coincide con la información relevante del auto.
Claro,
No,
entiendo,
entonces,
entendí eso.
lo que no sabemos es qué sí poner, entonces todavía no es que tenemos una respuesta nosotros, es que
Claro.
solamente sabemos que no es información relevante, eso es lo único que sabemos. Entonces la pregunta es para vos, ¿cómo podríamos potencialmente poner alguna información relevante? Si vos vas a los últimos, a los primeros, perdón, a los primeros de todos, bien al fondo, realmente bien al fondo.
Igual ya se me
Mucho más al fondo. Ahí está, ¿ves? ¿Ves cómo se ven estos? No dice nada, pero la información relevante es Tasia, Logan, precio. ¿Ves? Esa es la información relevante, no el subtítulo. Entonces es diferente. Entonces, la pregunta es, ¿cómo se podría hacer que eso aparezca al principio de todo, tal que, si bien el subtítulo aparezca o no, no importa a esta altura, pero que aparezca la información relevante, que esto es marca, modelo, precio.
Mira, esto era lo que hablábamos ayer, te lo explico en español así más fácil.
So
Esto es lo que hablábamos ayer.
actually, when you publish on Instagram a video or reel, you can choose what is the image, the fixed image. You can choose it. You can load
Yes.
a file.
Yes,
See?
when you do manually, it's from that way.
But is it possible to automate it?
I don't know. I need to search about
I
this.
don't think we need to do an image. I think we need to fix the first second of the video to make in the template to be
Oh, in the
first.
first second there is not
Yep.
the thing.
Exactly.
That's right.
So I think that is more simple than creating images. We only need to shift the timing of the template so the relevant information start in the moment 0 and the subtitle start in the almost 0. In this little difference, you will have exactly the same effect.
Yes, or my idea one, I was thinking about, for example, we 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 have to change the text because the all texts are the same, but in this yesterday, I don't know if you talk with Tansen, but we want to generate new text about the same car or different cars, but maybe if we put the name of the cars, the car, for example, and the price or what we want, first on this text will be appear in the video, for example.
Yeah,
For example, Ford Ranger, ¿no? And then the text, tú researché de un vehículo de ocasión.
no, I think that's not. Look, in the template, anyway, like if you go down to the previous one, okay, you see, you see, yeah, all the infos are there. The only problem is that it's little bit too much up. So we just need to put all those infos little bit more down in our template. Like that, it can be shown completely here. You see, and also this information should start from the first image of the video, not after 1 second or whatever. It should start directly. So it has to be straight from the beginning. You see, from the beginning till the end.
Wait,
Okay?
so we have two things. One is from moment zero, yes, and after you say the altitude, the movement.
Yeah.
So can you share a photo exactly the position should be?
Not no movement. Just instead of putting it that height, we can lower it. I can show you.
Yeah, if you can do numbers, like literally exactly start here, that is what we need. If not, we
So
cannot.
numbers would be okay. I don't have the number.
You compare two exactly in the same scale.
Yeah.
After we do numbers, don't worry about just in the same scale, two. The one no and the one yes. Vale,
Well, these videos are generated by all around or
Yep. Yes.
in this moment, because I think we changed the template here.
Yes, you can. But it's up to you to modify the template after you know the right number to modify the template. So if we need to change the altitude, you need to know where. Not only maybe where. It's literally where.
Okay, but this is wrong and this is wrong. Oh, the twice are wrong.
I need, sorry, Tansen, can you please share your screen so he can see?
Okay.
He have a file that already put, I see some numbers on it. So probably he already had the solution.
Where is the GC back? Okay. Let me share my screen.
Perfect.
Partager. I don't find partager l'écran.
¿Cómo que no? Wait, I need to, in order to record that, I need to see your screen from here.
Okay.
Okay. I see.
Cool. So now we go here. Okay. So for the moment, the title is at this height, but if we second, if we lower this here,
You want the overlap?
We can. If it's possible, we can. If it is not possible, then it's more complex. But if it is possible, we can.
I think it's possible.
So because what we see
Can
here,
you do the first one as you have it and a copy of the new one next to it? So we have two to compare one next to the other one.
Yeah, but I'm looking for the Instagram.
I need to go to a coiffeur. This hair is totally impossible to manage.
Thank you.
Hello?
Anyway, you see, like if you go down until the price is half on top, it will enter for sure.
Hello.
I don't know why it's taking so much time.
Could you please copy the original one, put it next to this one, and put the one as you want?
Hello, do you listen? Hola.
You see? So that would be good.
Okay. Sorry, with the screen freeze. I don't know.
Could you please take
Now
a
I'm listening.
screenshot so
Okay.
you can have the first template? That is in every single car. It doesn't matter language. It doesn't matter anything. It's going to be any woman or man talking. It's going to be the same.
Hello.
The position of.
I mean, like, if we cannot, that's the only way. If we cannot
I think we can.
choose the image for the still image, you see, that's what I mean. Like,
You want the still image anyway, and after have this one in this position in the video.
like when we do manually, you can put the still image. You can put whatever you want.
We don't want to do an still image. We want to modify the video.
Actually, the still image would be perfect because in YouTube, that's the way it works as well.
Yes, but no.
You see, like all the videos.
The videos create its own sum automatically.
No. You load. Like when you want to go on
When you
YouTube,
go automatically.
everybody puts composed still image.
Yeah, but it's not the idea. The idea is to minimize the effort we do
I know,
until we have enough time to do what we want.
Yeah,
Okay.
But for
So
the
can you
moment,
please-
if we do this one only, and we do video literally like this, for every single video is enough.
for the moment, I think that's the only way. I don't. Maybe there's another way, but I don't know.
The part of the image it is possible for sure, but I don't want to enter in new digital assets until we have the client enough happy to we have time to do something else.
No, it's not loading.
One, I think we have another problem. Is the second that the title appear, because for example, the title and the price appear in the 2 seconds, for example, no? From the start, and we need to appear from the first second, for the 0 second, to
From exactly zero. From zero and push the subtitle to start exactly a little after.
Yes, because for example, I'm looking in TikTok, the title doesn't appear, but when you put the
Cut
click, the mouse.
the duration of the video because it's really
I
valuable.
think, sorry,
We
yeah,
cut the video. Sorry, cut again.
Okay.
Yes.
Hello?
Can you listen to
Hello,
us?
hello. Yes, I listen.
Yeah, now it's better. Okay.
It's better from our side, but we still have problems to listen you correctly. It's getting cut every second. So we listen
Yes.
a part, we don't listen. We listen a part, we don't listen.
Yes, me too.
Mm.
Now I'm listening. Okay, but I don't know if
Can you
you.
touch with your cell phone?
Yeah, actually,
Hola,
but
hola.
I don't know in this neighborhood even your cell phone is not working like amazingly.
Okay, so everything is connected. That's a point number one to check.
Yes.
What it is connected in automatic, and please show every single one of them one by one. Publish something right now, every single one, so we can put the final check finally.
Okay.
We need to be absolutely certain it is working right now, like not tomorrow, not after, now.
Juan, se desconectó Tansen, me parece.
Can you do one of the publications in TikTok to finalize TikTok, and after in Instagram, and after in YouTube, and so on?
Hello? We have been disconnected.
Why?
Yeah, like problem connection problem.
Can you listen to us?
1 second. You see, we have been disconnected.
Why you getting? Wow. Wait, he's here? Yep. Valen, perdona, se
Bueno,
desconectó
sí,
su computadora, se murió.
sí,
Así
sí.
que perdona, estábamos hablando y nos dimos cuenta recién al final que no estaban conectados. ¿Podrías por favor
Ah,
hacer
ok,
TikTok? Y así
sí,
cerramos TikTok, quiere decir que hagas una publicación en forma automática y que él la borre. Solamente cuando terminemos uno, pasamos al otro. Nada de pasear por todos porque si no, esto es infinito. Fíjate que mostramos,
ok.
empezamos, nos fuimos por el lado de los templates y no cerramos ninguno. Ninguno. O sea, estamos mal.
Ok, pero escúchame, están todos los ya hechos los de la 1 de la mañana, ¿por qué no miramos esos?
No, tenés que hacer uno ahora para que él pueda ver ahora que lo que vos mandás sale con este sistema y no con nada. O sea, con uno. Agarra uno random, cualquier cosa, que vamos a poner en todos lados y los vamos a borrar de todos lados.
Ok,
Okay.
ok,
So, in order to finalize, what we're going to be doing literally is only do one at a time. As soon as we publish with this system, you will see it is published correctly. You will delete it. It doesn't matter what it is because we're going to delete
Or
it.
you can delete it.
No, the intention is that you can see how it is going outside. You can
Yeah.
measure the time, so we can really finally say check and finally. So we forget about this one, and you know it's going to work automatically.
Okay.
So you need to create something in Notion with total random bullshit
Okay,
in AutoCAD.
let's finish AutoCAD, no?
Exactly
We're
for
on it.
AutoCAD. Yes.
No, but we
Don't,
don't.
don't worry, in
use
AutoCAD we
for
have a
AutoCAD.
sheet, Juan,
He,
not
voilà.
What?
We see,
don't have
we have,
we
we
don't have a
think
Notion with AutoCAD.
we have a Google document online sheet that the intention is to use this kind of stuff.
Okay, yeah, but we don't have AutoCAD Notion for the moment.
We are not going to
So
need it.
if we want to check the Notion, we have to check with what we have. We can create the Notion for AutoCAD right now, no problem. But it's just that
No more Notion, please.
no,
If we
but
don't have it, we don't use it. Okay.
no, but I will need it because anyway, I have to create other posts and to validate it with the
Okay,
client.
let me show you exactly the way. That's why what we're doing for the moment.
I can share with you and explain what
Yes,
we are
show
doing.
exactly how it is the process.
Okay, perfect.
Can you share your screen, please? After or now?
Yes, 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 no. This is the Google Sheet that we are working with AutoCAD.
Eventually, we're
For
going to have every
example,
single one here, but this is
example,
internal, it's not external.
Yeah,
from today, Alice, change here.
it's manual.
This is internal because we
Yes,
still don't have your okay for nothing, so this is internal.
and Alice put the title here, the text, and the video. Juan, do you share the repository multimedia to Tansen, or
No,
do you
yet,
want
you can
to?
do now.
Okay. Well, we create Tansen, we create an app that we can upload the image and video to on server to manage the publish to have the public URLs from the videos. I don't know if you
We cannot
remember.
see it yet. I'm not sure if you are sharing or not, but we can see nothing now in your screen. We see an Excel only.
Yes, I will share the repository multimedia right now. I share with you the link. Oh, sorry. Well, this is the URL of the server, the own server. Here we change image and videos. It's so easy. These are the specifications from the videos, and here are the specifications from the image. For example, to change a video is so easy. Only click here, for example. Well, I don't know where I can. Creo que no tengo. Well, let me.
Actually, the only thing that we have to see for me on my side, it's just the automation. Well, that's something that you do with Alize or what.
Okay, but
We're going to need a Notion,
I want to you to know
but I don't like the anyway.
the way. Alice changed the videos on an image here, for example, no? And he put the URL. If you want to hear and you go, you can see the video, the public
But that
URL.
will be
Okay?
automatically beside your Notion.
That does not concern me. For the moment, you do that, but
Yeah.
that has to disappear like
Yes.
as fast as possible. So let's not lose time on this Google Sheet thing, no?
Can you
Okay,
pass
perfect.
directly to the automation process to one thing, go directly into what we are talking about, TikTok, so he can see in TikTok right now something, like right now, not in 2 years?
Because this Google Sheet thing for the moment
Yes,
is manual.
yes.
It needs to be fully automatic. Like when they publish a new car, what we're supposed to do is that automatically it detects the new car, and then it takes the new car, it creates everything, and it publishes. So I don't know. Like for the moment, it's like that, but it should not be like that anyway. So that's not a. You see what I mean?
But yes, but this replaced the Notion. It's the same thing.
But there is no Notion in AutoCAD because it's fully 100% automatic.
But Alice, before we automate this, he do manually.
Yeah, I know that.
Okay, try to follow in this part. Show to him the automation. Don't stop doing focus in the part that it needs to disappear because it will disappear. So it's useless to spend time in manual activities.
Because what I'm saying is that I will never go into this Google Sheet. Never.
Okay,
Personally.
don't worry.
Okay.
That's why he's doing
That,
Alice
that,
that
that
task.
scares me. When I see this, I'm completely scared.
That's why Alice is doing this part, and after Alice will literally stop doing this because we are going to put it away.
Maybe. Do you want to see only TikTok?
Okay, so
For example?
I think it's good, because now it's publishing. We have everything on all the platforms.
Yes.
There's one thing, one important thing, is that when we publish on the platforms, like for example on Google Meta, on Meta Business, you can choose the placement. You can choose what I mean. The placement is like the localization. You can say it is in that place. You can also put a button to contact with to contact with WhatsApp, or you can engage. You can put a button to engage with Messenger. Are those things possible in automation? Like up to what can we go in the automation? That's the first thing. The second thing is that as you see, the links are only working in Facebook. Like they don't work in other platforms. So the link to the card does not work on the other platforms. So we'll have to find a way to create those kind of things.
Okay. Well, I do recently the TikTok publish, so it's here.
Okay.
Sorry, here.
Okay.
Give me a second, I was taking a note.
Here, 11:13.
Okay, amazing.
Now
But
you have 1 minute ago, almost 1 minute ago.
you saw I changed this trigger because the trigger start 1 a.m. every day, and I share with you the Excel because if the date is the same that they put in the sheet they publish, go forward. Okay. The same thing is from all
Yeah, okay, we
platforms.
can push immediately or we can put timing.
Okay.
If you want everything at the same timing, it's better to unify the time here rather to each one of the posts to modify the time by each one.
Oh, yeah, the timing. Okay, that's perfect.
Why? Because that is according to the source. If we want to change that, we can run now, but we can program timing for different time each one. That's why the Excel is in the middle, because we can give this kind of space to random manually touch last second things.
Yes, because in the
We
sheet
don't need it in the future, but we need to have more conversations with the client and with you to make sure where we put the memory. We put it in one place or in another.
But okay, so for AutoCAD itself, they publish their car. If we can run it and publish immediately, that's the best timing.
You need to know exactly. So when they give to us right now, in the future, the formula, the trigger is the formula.
They press send.
The formula.
Yeah.
So it is our formula. So we have the files and we have the information.
They press send, it runs it, and it publishes. That's the best case.
Yes, that's what I was telling you. So we're going to integrate, like you see Excel, you say many other things. We are going to put one for Olga. So we are developing that. That's what I'm telling you. It's going to take 2 more months, but it's going to be there. So in this way, it's going to be in NA10, the full view to modify exactly these kind of things. So we are going to simplify.
Okay.
We're creating a connection with NA10 literally right now. So you will see here, as you mentioned, one flow. You will not go to enter inside Olga. Olga will run by itself. We are only going to send commands and receive documents.
Oh, Benoit is sending me something from TikTok.
Yeah, we just send something to TikTok. That's why I'm telling you, you need to enter to delete.
I'm not in the TikTok. I'm not in the account. Can you delete it, please?
No, I don't, because I don't have these credentials. Then maybe
You don't have these credentials?
Yeah, why?
That's why I told you we need to be able to.
Yeah, but you, I don't. I told you I don't have the. I'm not connected on the TikTok.
Juan, tal vez vos las tenés. Maybe you have, Juan, because you chasing
Message
rotator.
activity important.
What has been published?
We publish this one.
No. He sent. Okay, it's a coincidence. He's sending something from.
What the fuck is this?
From something else.
It's something else.
He's sharing some posts on TikTok.
I'm the only person that can delete stuff. That is a real serious question.
No, like I have to just to load the credentials, but I did not load the credentials. So.
Well, I delete right now. Anyway, chat. Gone.
Okay.
Gone. Thank you. Bye.
Okay.
Okay, I will be deleting stuff. No problem. So we continue, but I will be deleting every time.
Okay.
Okay, so check for TikTok and don't have a heart attack, please.
No, he sends it to iPhone, and I thought like what?
Yeah, but the problem is not this one. It's that we have, by fucking chance, Benoit from the client sent to us something from TikTok. But I hesitate. It is us because he sent two different. This one is sending with the number. This one is sending with the letter. So it was not us.
It was not us. Sorry, Valentin. I just thought that Benoit, the client, was telling us something. You know, like.
He's doing, but he's doing
Okay.
something
Yeah,
good, not something bad.
yeah, something else. He said, "Oh, that's cool." Yeah.
That's what
Okay.
I'm telling you. If you have this type of client forever changing, it's never
No, it's
forever a
not
template.
changing. It's not changing. He's
But you,
just no. He's sending you videos like as like sometimes we can take it and just publish it. You know, like. But that's for BYD.
that is exactly what I'm saying. Can you see this? We need to take the URL,
Yeah.
download it automatically, upload in our own database, and we publish it.
Yeah. That's that. So for the moment, I do it manually.
Okay.
Okay, but let's finish that. Okay, so this automation, that's cool. I think that it works, like it published everywhere.
Yes, it does.
The only
Yes.
thing is that we need to publish it correctly.
Yep.
What I mean by correctly, it needs to be well geolocalized because it's in New Caledonia. So it's so we have to be sure that it's published.
Open the Blotato in particular to show him the level of the details we can go in each one. In particular for TikTok to finalize TikTok. What you're saying is specific for each one. In Blotato you have particular template code. So we need to go into the details. So you need to know how far we can go because we're using in Blotato
exactly.
a third party.
Yeah.
So if we solve it right now, we put it right now, and that's it. We finished. So
Yes.
inside anytime, it's going to be probably better if you can find it there, or directly in Blotato in the documentations in the API inside TikTok, the one you want.
Okay, but what do you want to see in TikTok?
Okay,
This?
perfect. Look TikTok and look into the code. Okay,
Yeah.
look. Okay, link here the code. This is literally what we can or we cannot. Yes, you have the target type. You have if it is your brand, yes, no. If it is literally it is a duet means something different.
Okay.
But well, it is literally EA generated, yes, no. If it is well, all this information. I'm sorry, but I don't have my glasses, so I can read almost nothing.
Disable stitch.
So this is what we can do.
Disable command, no.
So inside here,
is brand content, no. Is AI generated?
yes, no. So basically, it's,
We have to say that.
By law, yes.
Okay. Okay. So I think that maybe okay. So for TikTok we cannot geocalize, so it will be the account that needs to be geocalized.
That's what I'm saying. I need you to go into the account
that's
and
why I
modify.
don't like to go to the account because the more I go to the account, the more it says, "Oh, you are not in New Caledonia. You are in France."
No, no, because we use the VPN. I use the VPN literally.
But you don't have a VPN that logs in New Caledonia.
I have two different type of. Give me a second. I have the
Yes,
urban VPN, and that is one. It is running in parallel, and that well, just to show. And I have another one here. Both are free, and you can choose different places.
But it says. So it says. So TikTok, he thinks that you are in USA. You are not in New Caledonia.
No, I've been shifting during all day according to different tasks, and after I just forget it is or not connected.
No, I know, but we don't have this, so that's why I don't like to go too much into the TikTok. You see.
No, the point is that we need to make the server in Nueva Caledonia IP to run the upload. You see?
Yeah,
the IP to upload right now, it is in France, literally. We have two servers for this. One, I didn't tell you we have two servers now. The both are in France.
So I don't know if it is possible to. I don't know what should we do if it is needed. Also?
I don't think so. That's the point.
Okay, maybe it's not needed.
Because
just that
you saw the numbers, they are going up. So
yeah, but that's strange for New Caledonia because it's crazy numbers for a very small island. There are only 300,000. So 3,000 is like
1% of the population.
Yeah.
Let me think. Okay, something we can do. We can, okay, no, that will take too much effort.
Okay, so TikTok is one thing.
We can put the server for the region of the client.
I don't know how,
I need to create a new server.
but in New Caledonia?
We need to allocate the server in Nueva Caledonia, yes. So it needs to be a physical server in Nueva Caledonia we can rent and run it from there. But you see the effort implying this,
No,
right?
that's too much. No, actually, you know, like I saw that an advertisement of a kind of VPN that you plug into your own connection.
Yeah, but that's the other point. But
And you plug it, and then en fait, it's plugged to your own fiber box or to your own box.
yeah, but all that
And
is
then
when it
it
is
all
manual. That is inside the server. So from
But
server,
OVH does not provide
we need to find it.
Caledonia.
You check already? I didn't. No, so.
I don't think so.
We'll see. In a few seconds, we know. Well, we're going to see if we can find this or not.
Yes, I am. But I don't understand why do you talking about change the location of the server? Because the server only share the videos. Maybe you must
Yes, exactly. That's why. Because looks
customize
like,
the phone.
well, looks like when you upload the video, you are also pushing the idea from where it is the video for which audience. Therefore, they believe it is for European audience because the server I'm looking right now here is a European server.
Yes, but you when you create the account, you put the location or no or not.
Yes, but the video you get uploaded from a geographical region, so they show, that's the problem of TikTok, they show to the same region you upload it from.
Okay, but for example, we share from NAN and NAN server. I don't know where is it. Or do you think if I maybe I start NAN in Spain and when I do a workflow, the location is from Spain? You're
Yep,
saying?
that's the problem we are seeing in that particular, yeah.
Okay.
The problem is to choose from where. No, we don't have Nueva Caledonia. Let me check again. No, we have directly from Asia Pacific or Singapore, so Singapore, not Nueva Caledonia. We have North America, literally USA or Canada, and after Europe. We don't have Nueva Caledonia. Sheesh. There is anything inside the code in Blotato that we can put additional variable to push to say this video should be for the audience of one particular region?
We can search, but I don't know.
No, that
No,
okay. Write
I
that.
think it's from the account, not from the from Potato or NAN.
Okay, got it.
Do we have a way to know from where are the people who are following? Because if we see that the followers are from France, then we have a problem.
No, we enter now. We see now. I will go into. I don't know why is in Macron. This is just the list.
Yeah, attends, stop. This is
There is no
let's see if
analytics on
it
this.
is.
Coefficients, francés, parámetro, o el siguiente, ¿no? There is no analytics in the shit. Oops.
Okay.
Okay, we found one of the problems. Yes, you're right. But we are limited to things, to options. Yeah.
Oh, okay. Okay, so that's the problem.
Yep.
That's not been made correctly.
I need your help to finalize correctly this
I
one.
don't know how to do that.
Well, the setup of the account, if it is a big problem, we can kill this one and do a new one from zero, literally, but do correctly. So that is up to you. I need your help
They
to
have to
set up.
make it from there. But I thought that they made it from there. So I don't know why now it's saying France. I think that maybe it's saying France because we have been only posting from France, you know?
We can ask them to enter to see if they see the same.
Huh?
Can we ask them to literally do this?
Yeah.
Just enter to see if they have the same information, because we are here, probably we see that. So it is in plus. We see it was parameters. Inside parameters, well, here directly. Information.com, region.com, and select and see what they have. Wait, I will pass to company first. Just here region. Here it is. No. I think by changing to company, it is going to be enough. Utilization. Yeah, but I think right now they're asking a category. So cars. Why we have cars? Yes. Really?
Transport.
Auto transport. Why auto was on the well, are you sure it's auto transport?
Auto et transport.
Wait. Location? No. Achat? No. No, it's auto. Yes, it's auto. Okay, estamos cambiando el tipo de cuenta.
Yeah.
I will send you the avatar if you can just put the correct avatar like that.
Let's try to finish this. Yeah.
Yes, because I'm searching on the IP address doesn't matter from NAN or Rotato. It doesn't matter the location. The important thing is the location from the company in the account.
Just drop it on WhatsApp. It's more easy.
No, it compresses.
Well, it is for the logo. The logo, you know, even if it is compressed, nobody take care.
Yeah. Okay. HD.
Okay. I need your the information of the company here. That is up to you to pass me the right information.
Okay.
Okay, we are going to be working on this right now, so we can finalize TikTok once and for all.
Okay.
All the legal informations are there.
Just copy and paste it. We need to finalize this.
But it's you want me?
Yes, we
can
need to finish now.
Yeah,
because
I know, but it's there, so you can copy from here to the other one.
Let you do it.
No, it's just that I don't on your fucking.
Okay, this
PC.
one is the mouse. Check if the mouse is good enough so we don't need to fight with this. I need to have a call with Elizabeth. Give me a second. I hope she...
Check. Okay, we cannot pass it into. Okay, TikTok is not recognizing New Caledonia into for the professional account. So we cannot pass it into a professional account. There's only
For
New
example,
Zealand.
in TikTok, it's important the language from the location.
Yeah,
And
language, but it's also the localization is very important.
yes, we can put hashtags maybe.
No, that doesn't change anything. It's really about like where it has been published, and it shows where. So, so maybe we'll need to shut down this account and to create a new one from New Caledonia. Normally this account had been made in New Caledonia, so that's why I don't understand why it's now it's located in France.
You create the account in New Caledonia?
Yeah.
From TikTok?
Yeah, it has been created in New Caledonia.
And now it's changed to France, you tell me.
Yeah. So, so I try to connect myself also on it.
Okay, TikTok work with an algorithm. The algorithm change with the pass of time. Okay, so if you connect from France, the algorithm will be changed the location. This is the problem. The algorithm work with the language, the interactions from the users, the hashtags, and the location of the account. These all things create the algorithm to a location from TikTok. So maybe I don't know if Juan tried to connect with VPN, but he doesn't look New Caledonia, no?
Yeah, because even VPN. So actually, I think we need to find a way for that. But okay.
Yes.
No. There is no enterprise in. It's not possible in New Caledonia. Yeah. Region, there's New Zealand, but there's no New Caledonia. So, but I'm checking one thing because okay, I don't get this account. This TikTok account is not the one we have created basically, because me, I have other credentials. So I don't get what is this TikTok account.
Okay, this I looking TikTok ads manager. Do you have this?
No,
Because
but this account, can we check what is the credentials of this account?
It's supposed to be the same, huh?
No. Well, it's not the same because the ones that I have is not that one. So go to the parameters of the account. No.
Yeah, we need to go really far away. Listen.
Gérer le compte. What are the credentials of this account?
I'm going to restart. It is a good one because it's AutoCAD point and C.
I don't know. I don't have these credentials, so I cannot connect on it. So I don't even know what are your credentials.
I don't remember at all.
Can you?
Now what we can do is to say go away and come back.
No, but there's somewhere where you see the visibility when you go down here. Yeah, go down, go down.
That's all.
That's all.
That's all.
Why do you see the fucking credential? Ah,
No, that is the information of the account that is coming back to what we shared before.
why is? Mm, that's crazy.
And we have somebody liking video.
Okay, don't you or your password manager? Check your password manager.
Give me a second.
Juan, I send by WhatsApp some characteristics of TikTok.
But in your password manager,
No, it is here.
it's AutoCAD Numea.
AutoCAD, Numea, Gmail. Connected.
But look, if I try
Connected.
here, if I try AutoCAD Numea at Gmail, is that one?
Is it one? Yes.
It says the
If you saw
email.
what I did,
It says the email address is not registered.
I shall see.
Don't you have like the password manager? You have it.
Yeah, but it's not like this, not inside the database. Just create a Gmail here. Gmail.
I'm connected.
Open inside. No.
I'm connected.
No. Open the
I'm
Gmail.
connected to the Gmail of AutoCAD Numea.
Okay, so open TikTok, and as where you are before. Show me
No,
TikTok.
no.
Okay. Okay. Put away this. It's not mode path. That's the point. Okay. Select.
Ah,
I'm going to. Voila. That should be.
okay.
Voila. Well, okay, we solved the problem of the credentials. That is fine. It is the same one, yes, confirmed. It is based in the account of the Gmail of the user, the client, yes. It is the credentials of the client, literally, yes. There is no password. You need to connect to Gmail after to the other one. So what you did is okay. What we have here is okay. What we need is to keep improving I see you did. Okay, so wait. No, I had the mouse on
No,
it.
but for the moment, the TikTok account there's no. It's useless. This one because it's in
Useless.
French. So
But no, they created literally. So the creation of the account was them in Nueva Caledonia. We use the correct one. It's not useless. We need to find out the solution. It's different.
yeah.
So we come back to the same. We are in France. It is selecting France. Probably they need to open and they will have the Nueva Caledonia option. We are in France, literally, and it is.
Juan, do you read the WhatsApp message? Because I search about the problem and we have TikTok Ads Manager.
Here I have it. Okay, let me translate for him. According to what it is information he got, it is not as you mentioned by segmentation. So the user can no longer do this stuff according to this.
You can no longer do what?
Manually say the server where we want they to do what they are doing with their own algorithm.
So what? So
Redirecting,
what does it
retargeting.
mean?
Exactly what we see. They choose for us. That we don't push where they want, they do where they want.
So according to where it's published from.
No. We open here so we see French place because we are in France. If he open in Nueva Caledonia, they will see Nueva Caledonia. That's the point.
Yes, but there are many things. For example, I told Tansen the location from the account, the language is France, is
Yes.
French. The interactions from the users and the hashtags. We have a hashtags that say Nouvelle Caledonia.
Here explain again. This one it is in different things. It's the same thing. The account was created in Nueva Caledonia, so will be shown in Nueva Caledonia. Yes, and after they will show whatever they fucking want. So you don't control the size. If it is people from Argentina, it's because they decided to show in Argentina. So you don't control
Yes,
the
but
limit.
read the last phrase, Juan.
No,
Estoy solamente las publicaciones
the
y lo
only
puedo
way
usar al alcance de
we
geográficas
have,
desde la API. Yeah,
the only way we have is to know, like, the followers where they come from. If we see that they all come from France, that means that we have a problem.
Okay, that's a little different. TikTok.
Ads manager. With this, we can segment geography.
Yeah, but as manager, we only work with enterprise account, or does it work with everything?
Inside. Okay, it is going inside. I just pass it to enterprise, so it should work. Connection.
No, because enterprise there was no New Caledonia.
Look into this for a second. After you mark, I think it stay there. Let me show you what it was. Only parameters, yes. In parameters, it was not. Voila.
Yes, you
So
you
now
have to pay.
Okay.
Not like this. Using TikTok. TikTok for business. Voila. Come here. Yes, basically they are getting information. TikTok for business. Okay, so we got a problem. I forgot to do the setup correctly of the account. That was not as a company. Today changed to a company. So now we are. Wait, let me see something on my phone.
Okay.
No, we need to. The business account. Hola. Well, we need a business email, not a Gmail.
A business email?
Yeah.
The Gmail cannot work? Are you sure?
No, look at this.
Because I made a business account for another project with a Gmail address. So put the Gmail address.
The same. I think this one is going to be for company. It's for business.
Yeah, use the same. The Gmail or AutoCAS, Gmail.
It is AutoCAS. No.
1 second.
You please. I should be picking it up.
It's j'ai mangé tout, j'ai super faim. Vas-y. Est-ce que tu veux que je te prenne les clés comme ça, je te dérange pas? Ouais, vas-y. Désolé. Tu veux pas prendre le poisson là? Non, t'inquiète pas. Ça ira. One second.
Better. Cecilia verification code. could you please stay in that?
Sorry?
In the Gmail, could you please open again the Gmail of AutoCAD? In theory, we are going to receive something.
No, you have to say two objects de la même forme.
Yeah, but we are going to have the code.
De la même forme. What? What's wrong with that?
You're supposed to receive something in the email.
Ah.
Eventually.
Yeah, but there was this, it would not send anything. Yeah.
Voilà. Okay. So what do we have? Ah, but
YZ.
no, just
It's there. There. Just type it. YZRX RXWH.
Should be okay. Valen, sorry for the delay, but it is our fault. It was from our part that we didn't finalize the part of the setup correctly of the company. Therefore, voila, país or region. We need to select here.
Don't worry, Juan.
NO.
Caledonia.
No. NO. U. Nouvelle. But there is no. That's what I told you.
What is the nearest thing? By geography. What is the nearest thing?
New Zealand, but it's another country. So it's not like near. It's like.
Vale, there is nothing near Nueva Caledonia.
It's in middle of Pacific. It's in the middle of Pacific.
That explains a little why they don't want to do an effort for the geographical. But Singapore?
No, like it's, New Zealand would be the nearest, but it's
New Zealand?
but New Zealand is English and it's not even.
No, we need a French.
The nearest it would be Wallis and Futuna, but I want to be there as well. Or Polynesia, Tahiti.
Okay, I have a question. Valen, can you please search in ChatGPT which is the French country, the nearest French country to Nueva Caledonia that it is in TikTok?
Canada.
Canada.
Yes. I'm searching.
No, France. I mean, this.
Technically, it's part of France. You need to know that.
It's part of France.
Yeah, so we should put France, legally speaking.
We have,
Even when they
we
don't.
have a problem. TikTok recently.
No, it's an independent country.
We have a problem.
Okay, explain.
With New Caledonia. TikTok recently had legal problems in New Caledonia for the state of emergency that include blocks from the app. But this restriction has up. A ver, te leo en español. De los estados oficiales de TikTok Manager, la web locations no aparece Nueva Caledonia como opción reconocida. Es el problema.
Okay, anyway.
No puedo creer.
Okay, we are going to put Indonesia and cross our fucking fingers.
France is not better?
France is not better.
France, yeah, it's we can say France.
So we are breaking our heads. Just do France.
No, because I don't know if it is the physical region. You see.
La diferencia con las publicaciones automáticas están algunas culo. Okay, TikTok don't recognize legally Nueva Caledonia as different from France. So it is literally France. And when we put France, it's included Nueva Caledonia. It is not a part of France. If you want to do something, it's France. So the correctly set up is France, unfortunately.
So how can I go back to the page of AutoCAD? Copy. Why it's not taking it?
It recognizes a developer that is not a developer and it's saying auto.
How you copy this number?
Trying to open an application. Copy link address should be enough. It is finishing with 04. This one go away. This one go away.
No, the plus. There is a plus also.
I will
Plus
see here.
687.
But it's already here saying Nueva Caledonia, right?
Yeah.
So we don't need.
Yeah,
So,
but you must remove the 687.
I put away this two.
Yeah.
Okay. That's enough.
Yeah.
No. We don't have an option.
Okay.
So we push.
Website. No, don't put Indonesia. Yeah.
But, or we put France because legally,
France,
if we have a problem, we need to put something. So France come to be what we chosen because they don't give us option. Okay, what you are doing again, thank you very much. Sorry for the delay. It was an error from our part again, obviously, because we didn't knew that they have a legal problem. So I'm sorry for that, but thanks for the information.
Okay, no worry.
Yeah, why not? We're supposed to. Okay, what we want?
We wanted to analyze the database.
You didn't.
The followers. Because.
Whatever. Let's start with the yes, leave, yes. Just analyze stuff. Maybe here. No? Audience potential. Why? You show me this. Not interest in this. Audience, ¿es esa, no? Audience, gestión de audience.
Maybe okay.
Which one? Información sur la audiencia. ¿Se me pasa? We are trying to know if the people that we see,
yes,
if they are coming from a place relative interesting for us.
Okay.
What we have here? But the problem is France is including Nueva Caledonia, so we don't know.
I'm trying in France.
Yeah, no, that's the problem. Nueva Caledonia has been absorbed by the title France, so we don't see here where it is coming from. Ile-de-France.
You see Ile-de-France.
I want to see Nueva Caledonia. Ay, me cago en la madre. The composition of the audience is not useful for the client. We can tell you that we have been looking into the numbers. We have been successful in France, in Provence.
So the only way is to have a VPN from New Caledonia.
Yes. I will try to export this to give you so you have the same visibility as we have.
Okay.
Probably thinking a little we can get some... but we have a filter here. Papa, wait a second. I'm going to put away one filter I found. A ver. Dale,
No, but
Cri.
yeah, here.
A ver. And it's not writing. Oh, anyway, put away.
Yeah, write it.
No, it's taking a
It's
long time.
yeah.
It is not in English.
No.
Yeah, why it is taking? Shit. Um, we are forced to select one.
No, it's finished. The blockage is finished. It was in during the revolt
And
last
why
year.
we don't have it now? If it is finished, why we don't see it?
I don't know.
Okay, we need to find this is not related to the automation at all. It's about the setup of the account, so that is
Okay,
in our
so
side.
I think the only solution is to find a way to have a VPN located there, like a personal VPN. I don't know, like for example, a computer that puts that creates a VPN or a small machine that we can ask him to install, and then that's done. You know, like.
Okay, as a summary, we have been successful globally, but not in the specific place we are interested to have the success. Even in Argentina, so I'm interested to know this. Buenos Aires. Somebody in Argentina speak French. Ucrania, no me jodas.
Okay, we'll need to, it's another subject, we'll need to find a way to localize. So that we won't, I don't know, like, uh, so maybe we'll ask them to again
Yes.
create a new account. So maybe
no,
we
no.
need to delete this account and to create a new account.
We need to explain to them that we have been successful in totally random places. But in order to do correctly, we need to make sure that no blockage is stopping us, number one. Well, okay, for the automation it's working correctly, so that is not the problem. The problem is that we need to make sure that when they set up the account, they finalize the setup of the account in the right physical place, so they show in the right place. Right now, the setup is showing Africa, basically, and the rest of the universe, and France, and everything, so it is doing literally everything. Except the right place. So, probably we need to set up a new account to connect to this. Can you have a meeting with them to say, literally, look, this is what we have. Probably we need to delete this one, so they need to delete the account and
You
create
want me
with the
to do
same.
that right now?
Yes. If we delete the account to redo with the same credentials or with the same email, so they need to do, or they need to create totally new parallel one because we cannot repurpose this one.
The problem is the name. We'll be able to
Yeah,
apply
that's
the
the
same
problem,
name.
exactly. So it is a trade-off in between or fixing a solution we cannot for the moment, or asking them to create new total parallel stuff.
Now it's too late. It's 9 p.m.
I know.
That will be.
No. But when you know.
Okay, I will tell them tomorrow.
No, but I recommend literally show the numbers and say, look, we have been successful in the wrong place, but.
No, we'll say, okay, the problem.
And I recommend you to show this, to say, we have this problem in the middle, so the account was damaged.
Yeah, no, they will understand that. They won't get mad. Okay? No. But it's just that we, as there is 3 enterprises and maybe more in future there, it would be good that we find a way to publish locally, and we'll have the same problem in every country. That one is more complicated because it's not a big one. There's no VPN. But if we know that we can, because I saw an advertisement. It's just a small module that you plug in your on your box.
I don't have New Caledonia.
No, but I did not find any VPN in New Caledonia. It's a module that you plug on your box, and then it takes your own IP. So wherever you are in the world, it goes through your own connection.
Okay.
So it's even a stronger VPN. It's for people who do home office and want to travel at the same time. So like that, they don't have problems with the plug.
Okay, that is interesting, but we need to find a way to look at that inside the server as a solution, if it is a solution, because for the moment it's not the solution.
So does it mean that we need to install a server? Like, would it mean that we would need to install a server in New Caledonia?
That's the alternative.
That's fine.
But in OVH, there is no service in New Caledonia. And if they don't have, which is really, really easy for them to do, I don't believe somebody else do. When they create a list problem to be or legally independent or not, they create a big problem for everybody, including us.
Do you have some friend maybe in New Caledonia? We can use TeamWeaver or something like that to connect.
Yeah, it's a good idea. We can ask. Not Benoit, Cedric. Can we ask Cedric to create a new email just to see if we can eventually create a totally new email, totally new TikTok, and run in parallel?
We can. We can.
If we are right,
new
but
email.
if we create a automation in the second one, yes, and we see the same result, that means TikTok is forcing anyway, so we don't need to delete. This is the best we can get. If in the new one they create totally new email, new stuff, totally new. If they create, yes, and we have another result, we need to do something.
Okay.
User return with no. Okay, that is on our side, not in the part of the automation again, but probably we are going to be running, as you mentioned, the automation in something they will do, a new account total in parallel. And if it is well set up, and after we run the automation and we have the same results, that means TikTok is forcing the situation and we can do nothing. If we have different results, we need to take the new account and use the new account to do the automation and put away this current account.
Okay. and the other option to
Or I asked him to create a
TikTok
new
ads
TikTok
manager.
account.
Totally parallel. Yes.
Just a new TikTok account.
Yes.
But with another email
As
address.
enterprise, totally different.
So
Yes, because the account is saying like, no, man, you're in France. So they are forcing us to be in France. So thank you for the revolution. Thank you very much.
but anyway, even if he creates a new TikTok account and we publish again, it will be again the same because
That's what I want to test. We don't know because we have been through the problem, so up and down, and they assign our account in France and they fuck you. Now we are stuck in France. If they create a new account, and if we run it, literally we connect it right now, not now, I mean, in these days, and we run it, and we see in the account from here, they change it again to France. The best scenario for them is the account that we already have running with automation.
Yes.
If,
Yes, because we will have the same problem if you
yeah,
open the app to see the stats.
I think that maybe that's because it has not been used at all in New Caledonia also. Like they did not use it, They did not open it, like things and all, from New Caledonia.
I don't know. That is the same solution. What you're saying is like we throw this in the universe of internet, random people like it, and the IA from TikTok decided to share more in those places. If we start with a new one, it will happen the same. In that sense, yes. But
If
now
we start a
cannot
new
force.
one, we should start trying to do something different.
No, they
Not
need to
to
start
do
liking.
exactly the same.
They need to set up correctly as enterprise from the very beginning. Select the enterprise is in Nueva Caledonia from the very
They
beginning.
won't find it because it's not available.
That's what I mean. We cannot see it.
No, but even
But the blog you mentioned is finished, so they should be able to do it. If they cannot set up correctly, that means we have the best possible account here right now, France.
no, I think what I mean is that I think that it comes from something else. It has been created in New Caledonia. It was in New Caledonia.
Yes.
But then we only used it from France because the only server was from France. So it's like you are in France and you move to some
No,
other
that's what we
country.
check at the beginning. It's not according to the server sending the information. Blotato is blocking that, so it's not a problem. That is not the problem.
No. And now it considers that it's in France. The account is in France because it's only publishing in France and it's only used in France. So of course, TikTok thinks it's in France.
No, that is one hypothesis. Wait, Valentin, could you please open again the part of Blotato, the data you are sending to Blotato to see if there is any information we can modify in the setup for the location?
No, but there is no. You saw that.
No, but in the documentation, not in the code we send. I can do it. Yeah, give me a second.
The
I want to see the data, not so the app information should be. I
So
need to log in.
Blue is replacing Go 11.
Yes.
Is it better?
No. It's specific good for TikTok because the other one is no longer doing TikTok and it's no longer doing Facebook. Facebook is still changing. Remember that, right? It's still changing according to what they change. We change all the time. But Go high level, say no. API. Dashboard, no. Documentation. I want a documentation. Which one is the right one?
Here in the location, we can put the location in the JSON.
Can you share with me what it is the API documentation when it is saying the variable and the information in particular? I don't find the API documentation.
No, I'm looking in ChatGPT, but
can you include it right now and do a test right now?
sorry?
Can you modify the code in Notion to make sure we can test it now if it is really making the change or not?
Yes.
Okay, cool. Let's do it.
I publish another time, you say?
Yes, with the modification you mentioned. And I'm going to be ready to delete.
But what modification? I can modify the location here.
Find into what you mentioned, the name of the variable to modify inside the code, to select where you should have the preponderancy or the preference to show the post.
But I don't have this adjective in the JSON, Juan.
Now I have the same, I all check in parallel. The target privacy level, disable comment, disable stand, disable the targeting, no. No.
The time when we publish is important too, because I don't know what time is 1 a.m. from local time, what time is in New Caledonia. This is another point.
Okay.
We can, that the things we can do is hashtag, we have hashtag with New Caledonia. The language is French.
Okay, let's start one thing at a time. Use a hashtag. Can you force to include in the text when it is published to include the hashtag to the text is coming from directly also the hashtag correctly of the place?
Yes, we have the hashtag is in the text, for example.
It is already inside
here.
the text in New Caledonia or not?
Yes.
Yes, okay. So
Yes,
that
yes,
means
New
that we use
Caledonia.
it and it's not working.
Yes, we can put another, maybe, I don't know.
Okay. Which one could be the next one?
I don't know where. New Caledonia as city, maybe the city.
Yeah, I see it here. Nouvelle Caledonia, maybe we need to write it down in a different way. Maybe we need to put NC or Nouvelle Dash Caledonia.
Okay, the change will
I'm
be here
looking,
in the
yeah,
Excel.
yeah, I'm looking into this. They have a lot of publications under the one we have, so that is okay. That needs to stay, but I will try new things.
Mira, here we have three hashtag. New Caledonia and C and Noumea. I don't know Noumea, but it's a
Okay,
city.
include that one, Numea. We're going to run a bunch of new tags.
Okay, this the text is charging. Alice charge the text, so I can do manually not right now, but we must change in the text.
Yes, we need to change the text. Yes, I'm looking into Nueva Caledonia hashtag videos. What else do they have? And yes, they have Numea.
Okay.
They do have Pacific. So I'm going to give to you an image. Ateswa.
Okay.
Thanks. I give to you by WhatsApp, so you have it. With these two, we need to include it for sure because I saw in the two most visible videos that are using this. I'm going to check the next one. Sunset Beach, New Caledonia. New Caledonia, like new. Also, it is an island, New Caledonia, right?
Yeah.
So we need to
But
include.
nobody writes New Caledonia. So
Nobody,
like,
but the one that have
in
visibility.
New
they have it.
Caledonia, no one puts New Caledonia. Like they speak French, they always write Nouvelle Calédonie.
Yeah, but we already had a hashtag.
NC.
Ok, esa parte del texto que no es un hashtag también, que va con un icono. But we are talking to to tell them put it here. So yes, we're going to include it, even if they are not doing this. Island also, the other one too.
We can put both of them.
But put in all, yes.
Yeah.
We need to tell them put it here, not there.
Numea, we can put Numea.
I already included already. Yes. I'm looking into the places how they have. New Cal is something also there. I don't know why, but it exists. Okay, we need to modify all this one too. New Cal. The next one. Numea, Nueva Caledonia, Voyage, Vacation, no. Pakistan. Nueva Caledonia, New Cal. What else? Numea Tips, Caledonia. All. Te paso más. Acá hay otros dos más. Es una lista, voy a seguir buscando y te voy a seguir pasando.
Okay. And C.
Yeah, that's true, yes.
I put in C, New Caledonia, Iceland, Noumea, Pacific. Okay.
Province Sud, yeah.
Ça existe?
Yeah,
Cambreto?
it's the south of New Caledonia. Yeah, they are in the south, in the Province Sud.
So, from here, Caledonia, we already put Caledonia. No, so that is the Nueva Caledonia comes out. We already write it down or not? Nueva Caledonia comes out. That's a shame. That is done. New Caledonia is over there. That gone. Numea is over there. New Caledonia. That stays. I don't know what it is. This.
No, it's an island.
El Lagoon?
Yeah.
Lagoon, yes.
Lagoon, it's the lagoon. No, it's it's for touristic thing, no?
Ok. Ahí te pasé otros tres. Vamos a agregar todos estos al texto estándar.
Okay.
What else?
And then you can put hashtag NC.
Yes, that one is already included. Yeah. Now let's see. Caledonia. Beaver Sur. That is something. That is New Cal NC. That is.
Okay. New Cal, okay.
We use it. Ah, perdón.
You call N. You call N.
No flag. No flag. We're going to create problems. No.
Yeah.
No, after they will say French. No French. No, I don't want to have problems.
No, but it's funny. It has put this flag, and if you put this flag, it's like it's very complicated.
Yeah, well.
That's the reason of the war.
Exactly.
The war. So.
This is important for me. Look at this. New cal NC, almost 70,000. Okay. But if you go into the previous one, all this is this number.
Okay, so it's almost as much.
Exactly. So we were doing a bad hashtag. So according to this, eventually it's going to redirect. So we need to do the test.
Not sure, but
we need to do our work here, but after we need to do the test. I will check just a few more, but looks like we are in the good direction.
Okay, maybe Juan, we can delete the post that we did today at 1 a.m. and we can show this right now and wait from the interactions.
Include the new ones and delete nothing.
Okay.
Because we need to see the difference in the numbers over time. If
Okay.
they continue pushing the previous in Africa and USA, it will continue going there. And the other ones, if it is well targeted, it will start to grow in the right place.
Okay, this is an N because I think it's a symbol.
Well, that's the problem. The last one, it is space NC NC, and that is becoming a flag. And the flag is a problem because it is that's why they have the war.
Okay, I put an N.
So it's the independentist flag. The flag for independence.
Okay.
Yeah, well.
Well, I can do the publish if you want.
It is the, yes please, NC. Like this, like the one I just shared with you. NC in letters. Not a space. If you put a space, it's transforming in the problem.
No. Are you seeing here? This is the hashtag. I can.
Okay, let's test it right now. Just drop it over there.
Okay.
And we need to see if it is growing or not.
Okay.
We are going to let this one run. So we are going to have a duplicated item, but fuck it. We are going to see exactly what is going on.
But if you maybe you erase one. Yes.
Yeah, but we're going to delete only the not interesting one. So we'll see what happens.
Okay.
I know you just did, but I don't see it.
Wait.
Ah, you didn't do it? I have impression you did.
Yes.
Ah, it's done.
Yes,
okay.
Yes, so. I did. But potato is here. You have no.
I will try to do focus in trying to understand the analytics of only one. Yeah, you modify it, it's evident. It's doing now total random bullshit, but it doesn't matter. I want to see if there is any kind of reaction. And how can we see analytics from only one? Parámetros de confidencialidad suprimir? No, I want to see statistics of only one. How can I see statistics of only one? It's total bullshit, but we are going just to keep it because we want to see this one is as before. This one is exactly the same with the hashtag only difference.
Yeah, but they don't even see it. They don't go on it for the moment.
I know, but we wait. So we we need to do the
No.
test of the second one, and we need to run this test. So over time, we're going to see which one is the real answer. We cannot do anything else from our side for the moment.
No, and remember that if we see this, for example, I open the directions are from Spain, so
Ay, qué boludo.
don't see many
The
times.
solution was more evident than what we thought. Okay, give me a second. Okay. Every time we're opening, like I did from different places of the planet to see if it is getting published, I was telling them somebody has the interest from another part of the planet, so I was pushing the wrong information into the TikTok understanding of who is interested to see this. So every time we look if we publish correctly, if it is done correctly, according to, because I never check if
You
it's
feed the
correct or
algorithm.
not.
You feed the algorithm.
Voilà, we are fitting the algorithm.
from
So
this way.
if we do, I have a solution. So we're
So
going
that
to
it means
create
that
a.
they have to go on TikTok and
They need
go
to do what they naturally need to do. Look into the stuff more than us.
Mm.
That is much more common sense in everything like this than doing all the kind of stuff. That, of course, it's going to be interesting. I would like to do it for sure, but they need to enter and look and touch. Just put like in everything. Just they need to enter and spend just 5 minutes. Like next, like next, like next. That's all. Show to the algorithm that it is for Nueva Caledonia. We are going to do the retargeting. We are doing this test right now. Two things exactly the same. Tell them because if not they will complain. And the test of the account.
Mm.
If TikTok is blocking directly the option to do this, it is blocked. We can do nothing. So this one is the best alternative. We cannot do a new one. It's going to have the same problem. Okay. Anyway, I'm happy to see numbers, even if I have no idea if it is useful. I don't think so, but it's nice to see. But it's beautiful to see numbers, you know? Look, just moving random and you will see jumping to almost 30,000, and you have after 1% of this, you have 2,000, 3,000, 10,000. So, okay, look at this one. So, all it is exactly the same. The content is changing, and the cars are really evident effect. If you take exactly two same cars, what is the most similar thing to this one? No, where is the big one? This one. This is
No, this
Toyota
one
Land.
because it's it's a badass old Toyota. Like it's
Okay, let's find
it's a
another
mythic.
Toyota.
It's a mythic Toyota. You see.
Okay, where is the next Toyota that it is a Ford? Toyota. That's a finito, that's all? It's the only one.
That one had a good, when it's a SUV or something like that, it has good numbers. You see, all the SUVs, they have the bigger cars, they have bigger numbers.
We can learn from this, even if it is internationally. We can take understanding.
Because or this one has a
Look at this
big
one.
number. So yeah. That one is very, but even on Facebook it had better results.
Wow, so it is following.
But it's still not sold. Huh? It's the one. It's been like ages that it's there. It's 2 or 3 times I put it again. Like on. Okay. Oh yeah, that was the mask automation. So okay, can we
The same one we just said. He's doing this or somebody else? People fucking like this shit.
Yeah, because it's a badass one. Like it. You can have water up to here. It still works.
Okay, this is just a badass as we mentioned. So amazing, good. I hope they start touching so we can redirect the orientation of the IA to say show it in another place. What we can do is to tell them do in another place. After we need people interacting with something
Maybe
else.
we can buy advertisements in New Caledonia also.
Yes. Or better, we can put the VIP. No, we don't have a VPN.
But the VPN, I'm sure that it exists.
Give
There
me a
is
second.
some systems like that where you can localize and all. So I'm sure it exists.
If I want to pay them to do the publicity in TikTok. Let's say I want to give them money.
Yeah, then you start a new campaign. But the problem is that you have to validate the company details, and the company details you cannot put it in New Caledonia. So we
And
are stuck in this shit.
sorry, and don't forget the legally problems that New Caledonia have, because
Yes.
now
No, there is no more legal problem in New Caledonia. It's finished.
Okay, it is true what it happened, yes, but in the official webpage we saw literally right now that they put away the problem. So technically there is no more problem. How it is right now, exactly right now, we cannot find New Caledonia as an option, even when they say they lift it.
yes, because I read that maybe have time to record to have the New Caledonia point.
So we are in the waiting time.
Yes, I think. I think so.
After looking a little into all the information we have right now in front of us, we are absolutely certain that they, as users, need to start touching in Nueva Caledonia to feed the system correctly. We need to put more in the template, in the text. We need to do more to do redirection. So we are doing our part. And we need to be able, after TikTok, put it as an option. We still don't have it. So we are limited by TikTok anyway.
Okay.
I don't know with
Look at this one. When I say it is
with the paid account.
congresanos natives. Native is exactly what we're looking for.
No, it's
To be
native.
looking.
No, it's not like native. Like it's another thing. But maybe you can just authorize anyway.
I don't want to touch something after we need to come back. That's why when I see this, I say, oh, we'll see.
Yeah.
Bon, envoyer the code. It is taking long time to do something perfect, but we need to go through each one in this level to make sure we do have perfect. Ah, you have it already.
C G K Z D G.
So we're connecting what? Comentarios. Okay. Live. Okay. Yes. We really need to stop correctly every single one of the accounts. It's not just dropping automatically, it is the setup of the account. So we are going to do exactly the same in each one of the accounts. Okay, we just authorize something native. We'll see what that means eventually.
It looks like
Native for me has two exceptions. Number one, it is when you see a lot of people doing stuff and one publicity that looks like literally one person speaking, and the other one that is native number one. And native number two for me is I only show you when it is nearby you. Exactly. We are still in the setup. We need his account for doing this, or yours, as you want.
No, the Gmail. The best is to configure with the Gmail. But there's already the two steps.
According to this. They need a number. That's why I'm asking for.
Z8 Z red RED RED.
We put another one, but the more we put in another place, the more complicated it will be.
Yeah, but we cannot, if we need to validation from them every time we reconnect it.
We don't have an option. We need to put yours or mine. Well, no, You put the relation with the client.
Huh? Yeah, but I'm normally okay. Yeah, put mine.
I don't know yours.
I don't know because now it's
I don't know your number.
the automation is your part, it's not my part.
It is the setup. We need to set
Yes,
it up.
but the setup is your part, not mine. Fine.
T'as sommeillé?
Déjà pris. Fuck.
It's time to put mine. Ah, fuck.
Yeah,
I
but
just
it
gone away.
will ask that shit for every account.
Yep.
I will do.
We need to create a.
No, actually, I think we can have a business account that has several TikTok accounts in it, like same as.
It is supposed to work like this. And
So put your yeah, put your because
we
then
come
you
back
will
to the
manage
same
from
shit.
the same business account all the TikTok accounts. No?
Da, 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 da. And the second part.
No, it might be sécurité du compte. Ouais.
I prefer to put. I know I think, but anyway, let's do it. Zero size? No. In this one we need to put zero size? Yes. Touch it, yeah. No. Okay, finally we check this.
Okay, that's cool, but
Security.com, ça se fait why it is saying negative.
um,
Really? I'm not going to accept this.
no,
What is the real one that...
okay, that's I think it's good.
No. They are supposed to send me something to interact with, and eventually what it is 2 point is when you put an authenticator.
Authenticator is good because that we can share
Yes,
it.
exactly. But I don't see any option. You normally have the option after you have one number. Okay, and
Okay, if you click again on the
we did it. It is literally we did twice.
fucking Chinese.
Exactly. Ta-da! It's not changing.
Okay.
Let's pass to the next one because this is not advancing at all. Okay, we are going to go back to the natural stuff of what it is right now, and we're going to see what it is right now. We give it just a moment to look into. Now we have this. Okay, amazing. Now I want to know what happened. How can we see from only one post where it is coming from the people looking at this? That's kind of my simple question.
Maybe okay, so you will fix the date.
All this we are no longer interested. We are inside this one. We mentioned we see the information from the audience. ¿Tenemos quelque chose? Allez. We need to break this into. This is stupid because we don't know what means exactly France now.
Yeah, but then you can see.
The time you will say
No.
to cut the time, so only for now. The lang. Okay, we can start this. We need to be only French, so we can start with French. It doesn't matter the geography; it will be French. Age, we don't take care, we don't take care. Centros de interés, we don't take care. We don't take care. Oh, we go with this. People that speak French only.
Nobody in France.
How can we clean selection audience here?
But there's 0 out of France. You see?
Yeah, but France for them is including New Caledonia.
Here is all the French region.
Yes.
It will be written New Caledonia.
No, unless it is 11.
Usually it's only showing the 10 first.
Yep. Yes, you have only 10. You have here only 5. It is limited. That's why I want to report, to clean, to make one day
we
only.
cannot put the time.
No, that's a pain in the ass. You see? You have no time limit.
Okay, maybe if we connect the other thing like the analytics that we have for Emmanuel 1, we connect TikTok.
Yeah, very cool.
But like actually TikTok is maybe the last thing that is important our process. So maybe should we go back on like the Notion, the blog post and all.
Valen, could you please
Yes.
work in the template to change the position of the staff in the meantime to update the template?
Okay, we'll try.
It is connected. TikTok, it is connected. So
Why is it AutoCAD Max?
Valen, 1 month? No. From here to here. Why 1 month? Here to here. Only 1 day. Ah, voilà. The last day is not available yet. Okay, choose one.
But
We don't
here,
have for now.
TikTok is not there. So there is not the TikTok connection.
You think?
I don't think so.
It is a personal name.
The credentials were not there. Yeah, okay, continue.
Ah, because we changed it to company right now. That's why we put it away. Oof, we put it away by error. Oops. But now it needs to upload, take some time, and so on. In 20 minutes, we'll get some information. But anyway, you saw for the same day. No, so we can see after. So we need to wait anyway. But it is interesting. Somebody in the universe is interested to look into this in less than 20 minutes. So only that is just interesting. I don't know who, but good for the universe. And it is increasing little by little.
No, but and the first post was when?
That one?
What? How can I see?
July? 23 of July, c'est ça?
Ah.
You cannot see more? I hate this. We cannot see
I know.
information about this. And who put this? Okay, who? Ah, well, fuck, I put like, when somebody save it, if I touch what it is, I should take, no, favorite. So somebody put as a favorite. Hola. Bueno, but we need to learn a lot about
but
this.
they didn't know that it was in New Caledonia, so they see it as like, oh, I'm looking for a car. They're in France.
Probably.
They don't know that it's in New Caledonia, so they think, oh, so of course. Yeah. But the growth is crazy.
Yeah.
In 20, July 23,
Well,
means like
imagine
in
23
one
is
and a half month. In 1.5 months, we had 3,000 followers.
well, so we proven by error that we can make them grow internationally.
Yeah, but they don't give a fuck.
Ah, fuck, I don't take care. That means we can. Anyway, so let's go to reality. What we have, it has zero value for them.
Even though it's interesting.
Yeah, but unfortunately, we can see until the 24, not the 25. So what we are testing today, we are going to be able to say tomorrow, not today. I find nothing, Valen, nothing related to how to improve the situation of TikTok. I hope you can finish to change the video because that is going to impact every single one. When you change the template and you can update it, please run a normal random test with a random car, and we can check on that. So we can finalize this area and jump to the next one with the new template with the new correction.
Okay.
This one. At the end, the list we got here is the same. This one is the one we are not truly working here, but the hashtag is what we are exploiting to the maximum now. The time is the one as we mentioned, only to do at the time that it is linked to them. That is what they need to do in the second time. And only after we finalize this, only after we are sure about this is done, we can talk about the rest. This one is not supported, so if it means no. And color, that means something else that we're not going to do right now. So we're doing literally the check one of the time of the book. So
okay.
As soon as he finished, we can go to the next one. So we can clean every single one.
Yeah, but actually we did not even start our list.
In the list is the part of the automation.
Notion automation. So we have to start now. Actually, now we are starting the list.
Yeah, bueno, but we need to modify the video.
The video?
Yes.
No, but he can modify it when he wants, no? Does not need us to be there and to finish it.
You for the quality. He will do the change and you need to prove it.
Yeah, but we have like he can work it on his side. No? Like we have things to finish. Notion automation is like my biggest pain in the ass now. So let's finish.
Believe me, that is the easiest for us because it's already figured out. That is the easiest to implement because it's already done. This one is not done because it's new. The change of the stuff is totally new for us.
But it's really not the most urgent thing.
The problem is that we are going to keep accumulating stuff all the time. So
okay, yeah, but if we don't do the urgent things, then
Valen.
Yes, I listen.
Okay, there is any way you can finish this without us, and ask the validation of the quality later today, but today at the end of the day.
Yes. I need to talk with Valen too.
Okay, but the objective is to finalize it today. Is it okay for you to still target today? So we are going to jump now to the Notion stuff, all the connections in particular.
To change the template, you say, no? To generate a new one.
We want new videos. Therefore, new template. In the position of him mentioned in particular.
Okay.
Because if we speak about the template, because we have things about the template, we have the modification of the voice, we have the modification of the AI. So on this template, there is not only this problem. There is the problem of the voice, the animation, like it's right now it's horrible. So yeah, we can, or we jump in on this and we finish this. That
I
was
prefer to
that
do
was
the
the
no.
third. It was the third point.
Yeah, but anyway, okay. Valen, ponemos una pausa a esto y avanzamos con lo de Notion, las conexiones con Notion.
Okay, don't you want to see the other social media to
We are going to see the rest of
YouTube,
social
Facebook?
media as soon as we touch into Notion, because Notion is making the publication in every place. So we need to, through Notion, we are going to see every single other place.
Okay, okay. Um, well, which brand do you want to see? MG, maybe?
Yeah, that's cool.
We have three: Imaneo, MG,
And
BYD.
BYD, yeah.
Okay, because MG we have the credential from only from Facebook, so we can. I need the other credentials, but we can't. We can try YouTube and Instagram or TikTok. Okay, so if you want to control YouTube and Instagram, we must do in AutoCAD. Do you understand?
There is no Notion with AutoCAD.
No, no. Okay, don't worry, don't worry.
We're
Let's go
talking about
to
Notion, not
MG.
about AutoCAD. That's why I'm telling you. Now we change totally the subject. We are talking about Notion, MG, Notion, Imaneo,
Okay,
and Notion, BYD. No AutoCAD.
okay.
So so I will give you the credential for Instagram for MG and BYD.
Perfect.
Just 1 second.
So from MG.
So I I send it to you by WhatsApp.
Okay.
Credentials, BYD.
Okay, you are seeing?
Sorry, did you
Yep.
get the credentials for BYD and MG?
Yeah. Yes. Well, from MG, from start the workflow is to be valid in the Notion, okay? And when the data time is the same from today, for example, 25, start the workflow and publish. If you are agree, I change this post to today from start the workflow, okay? And we share this post.
1 second, 1 second. I have to check which post we are in.
23 of September,
MG.
2 days
Tac.
ago. MG.
But September 23 was yesterday.
23, maybe? No, not yesterday. 23.
Okay, there's the one for 26 that you can use.
Okay, can I, okay, I use this one, the 26?
Yeah.
Okay. I put 25. It's ready. It's validate. Okay, I start the workflow. Okay.
Are we ready to delete
One
just in
second,
case?
one second.
Are we ready
why
to delete?
there's not there's no image in it? Why? What's happening? Okay, that's a problem. It's a who did validate it? Did you validate it or was it validated?
Was validate from 26.
No,
26 from tomorrow.
No, okay.
No, but the
No, but
user, which user validated?
who did change the status?
I don't know. You tell me.
No,
The client?
is it you who just change to validated because it's not, it cannot be validated. There's no image. Yeah, so is it you or
But
is
it
it them?
has a video, not image, but has video.
Okay, it has the video link. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Okay.
The task. The task
Don't go
we
in hand attacks.
No, it's because okay.
Yeah, but it
No.
was a link over there.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, perfect.
Don't go in hand attacks. You will leave a little. You need to, you know.
Yeah.
No, but
Sorry.
the,
Yeah. Okay.
I will do the task that Alice do is download from Dropbox this video and upload in the repository multimedia. Okay.
Okay. If you want in the future, if
Yes.
we can use directly the repository, yeah, that for
Yes.
you if
Yes.
it is better.
Better for me.
And in the
Perfect.
repository, the client can see the video.
But in our repository, people can look into videos. Yes. When they have good internet, like us, like we have shitty quality. But yes.
This one.
So then it means that in the future, all the videos, I have to put them in the repository for the validation. That's the thing?
Yes.
Yep.
Okay.
Yes. It's a problem that I erase this URL from Dropbox and I put the repository
No
multimedia.
problem.
No. Okay.
Yeah, we will do that like that in future. Yeah.
Okay. Perfect. That's error. ¿Viste, Juan? Me tiró error, no sé por qué.
¿Ah?
Me tiró error, no sé por qué.
¿Pero qué? ¿Qué es Yo estaba mirando otra cosa, perdona.
Ah, no, acá. No, tiró error. No te dije nada. Tiró error, pero sale. Está bien cargado.
Yeah. That's what I told you about the public. Public means they can enter and see. And if they want, they can click on this and download the stuff, and they can do what the fuck they want. So they have their capacity. Before it was impossible, is to have the file. It's a technical and legal problem that we solve it. So check. Amazing.
Okay. You are ready right now? I start
We are looking what you are
boom.
showing. But we need to be ready to delete. Are you ready to delete?
Yeah,
Well,
yeah, but
get ready to
can
delete.
you okay, but
Only Facebook.
just
Only Facebook.
just one thing
Yes.
before publishing, because that's really important. On Facebook
Okay.
and Google Meta, you can choose the localization. So is it possible to put the localization when we publish with this thing? Because that's something that I do every time.
Okay. I don't know if I can with the API, but I.
In Blotato, again, we need to go to Blotato and look into the variables.
Are the variables are the same that I open here in IN.
No, can you open the other one? Blotato, the API. I didn't find the API documentation. Normally, inside the Blotato documentation, you have it. Ah, voilà, il est là.
Yeah.
It is okay. Open, please. Publish post. The second. And now here in the left should be around here. Look into, okay, here you have it. Okay, look the right one that we are looking right now.
No.
Facebook.
There's no Facebook.
There is no Facebook. We are really lucky people.
What's wrong with that?
I don't know. They didn't do the
Meta.
documentation.
What? I know it was media. No, sorry. Oh
Okay.
shit.
Ok, Putin, busca en el buscador de arriba de todo la palabra Meta o Facebook, porfa. Meta.
Post publish. Yeah. Yeah. That no.
And you have the help center over there. That is the Facebook. Ok, ¿puedes ir abajo, porfa, a ver si encontramos las variables que te dan?
But like
Locate account, navigation start, Meta Business Suite, click on app, view, remove. Now what else? That is nothing. That is not helping.
in the research there was this post public. If you can you go back to the search bar and put again Meta. Well, yeah, publish post. That's not the good thing. No, sorry. Okay.
No.
Object. Yeah, that's the variables, no? Fun. Isn't that the variables? Okay. Media type, page ID, target type.
I think this will be set in the administration account.
Inside the administration account? Why? It is over there.
I think it.
Let's look here. Control
The
F.
variables. Yes.
Just we see Control F and what is the name when you do manually?
That's
Liu.
Localization maybe or.
It is in English, so probably geolocation, localization, something like that. No, it's okay. Just go back to the documentation. From Blotato. Blotato is the one giving you the information. You don't need to look outside. Here, you have the post. Go literally to location or geolocation or something like this. Okay, variables. You have printers. You need to find the location, video timestamp. Okay, no, not this one. That is TikTok. No, we need to find Facebook.
Yes, but Facebook.
Second, this is time. No. No, that's the same than before. No, that is in the platform. You need to find in the code. No, that's one we saw.
Okay.
No, the page you were before was okay, but it was a vertical, really long, and you need to find inside that one Facebook. So
But we were on it and there was
here,
only four.
here, no, not that one. That is the same you did before. That is not the correct one.
Legally discrete field.
I'm searching and in content I can put a variable that name place and I need to put the ID of the location.
Okay, how we get the ID of the location?
Yes, use Graph API Explorer on Facebook.
It should be a list, right?
I don't think so.
Location in French is literally lieu, and it is exactly what he's seen in his screen at the time he's manually select. So probably you're in the right, literally in the right thing.
Okay.
But we need to find this, how to put it, where to put it, and which one is the right ID. I'm going to do a cut in the video that we are recording, and we are going to
Want
relaunch
another
after.
coffee?
Yes, please.
Wait.
Yes?
Because I do this and I don't know if it's okay, but the code is 12.
Ah, cool.
New Caledonia, I don't know if it's okay.
New Caledonia place 12. Okay. So now we need to find how to put the variable inside the data so can be sent to the other one. Okay.
I know how to do,
So cool.
but I don't know.
Very good.
At the beginning, I imagine you say something else.
Amazing.
Yes, but I understood something else. I understood maíz. Maíz is maíz.
You know, but I was saying it with a weird accent. Amazing. Like the British accent. That's amazing.
They speak really strange, honestly. But I like it.
Ok. Il n'y a plus de café?
I don't know if it is okay, but let's try.
À l'intérieur, sous le... Tu utilisais le café.
Okay, go for it. Publish as it is, and we're going to be ready to delete. We need you to delete.
Attends, 1 second.
We are ready in Facebook.
Attends.
Give me a second that he's doing something.
Don't worry.
Mais si on n'a pas assez, c'est pas grave. Ok.
Get ready to delete, please.
1 second. So will it post on? It will post only on Facebook, not on Instagram, huh?
Only Facebook, 1 of 4. Literally, he blocked everything. You see, nothing is connected.
Okay.
No, it's not the 12.
From our side, we are ready to delete as you want. So send when you want, and we can delete here.
Okay, I start a workflow, but the place is not. Okay, I think. I need to change this from today. Okay.
Okay, we see now. Refresh. If it is there, that means it is there in the right place. Something new.
Not yet.
Here it is connected. No.
Oh, that's good to guess.
Yes, we did twice. Remember? To have
Yeah.
it double.
Okay. It will appear here then. And
It will. Yeah.
Okay.
Voila, finally here. So now you can look into the other one. It is. Okay, legally, we are doing things correctly. And technically correct. But let's see if it is really correct. I need you to open.
Oh shit. I know. It's the problem is that okay. I think Eric,
And I need you to try to open the analytics of that particular thing.
yeah, no, but it's not visible publicly. Trying because you see it's not visible. It's there, but it's not publicly visible.
Where it is there? What do you mean there?
It means that it's
No. I need you exactly. That's why you need to see with another stuff.
another stuff. What other stuff?
First, from here, if it is in the data, in the videos, or in the reels, it needs to exist here. No, you still don't see it. That's the point. It's not public or not public. You still don't see it. If you do only videos, just to see if it is not pushed in another place. No, you still don't see it. Key open, so we know it is there, but you still don't see it.
So that's what I say, because sometimes that's what we had the problem we had with the mask. It was publishing, but it was not public. It was publishing.
Ah, got
so
it. Okay. ¿Podrías abrir esto en incógnito, porfa? O sea, sin Facebook, pero en una versión incógnita para ver si realmente luego de que lo abrís en incógnito le das a MG Motors y si públicamente sin haberte puesto ningún usuario lo podrías ver.
Because I'm connecting with because for the moment I did not connect. I'm connected from my account. Okay. But now I will connect. It's still not there.
Yeah, give it a second, but I have impression this one is better.
But now I will
If we do absolutely.
Yes, sin conectarme puedo verlo igual.
So it is public. So he is incognito. So he is without any user. No user. He can see it. So it is public? Yes. It is published? Both? Yes.
No, it's not.
It is literally incognito.
No,
so no connection.
he has put an MG. you made a mistake.
Where should be?
Oh, you told me it was BYD. It's a MG. Sorry.
No.
No, it's not BYD. This is MG.
Yes, we're doing this one.
No, you told me it was BYD. I was not in the right account. That's why. I was not. Yeah, it's good.
Okay,
Sorry,
can you open the analytics?
Yeah,
Wait a second, I will do a summary in Spanish. Todo salió bien, pero tenemos que ver el analítico del lugar. Por eso vamos a dejar unos segundos nada más y después lo vamos a borrar. Lo que hiciste salió perfecto. Now coming back here. Could you please check the analytic of this particular thing we post right now? If it is coming any attraction from somebody, not us, because by opening here we are damaging. We are letting the other people know that people from France is looking into this.
So what should I do?
Like an admin, now go away from here, like an admin, not like a user. And that's why I want him to do totally away from geolocation and everything. So as an admin, look into that particular reel if we can see anything about who is looking this.
Juan, te digo en español a ver si me entendés mejor. El 12, el número 12 estaba mal, es un error de Facebook. Para poder averiguar el ID, necesito que cuando hace una publicación manual y vos pones el lugar, si vos vas a inspeccionar, ahí en el JSON te sale el ID, que es el lugar que elegiste manualmente. Es la única manera que lo puedo encontrar. Si querés lo podemos hacer juntos.
Sí, vamos a hacerlo.
Que haga una publicación manual.
Sí, pero ahora estamos mirando nada más si alguien lo vio y para ver si un número sale de a dónde sale esta.
Ok, igualmente como te dije, puse el 12, pero el 12 está mal, o sea que, no sé, tal vez no es ningún lugar, para mí no debe ser ningún lugar igual 12, no es que te va a mandar algo en especial, pero salvo que sea
Lo publicó,
Argentina.
salió, no lo tira como error, quiere decir que está indexado en una lista y que existe.
Puede ser, es lo que sí.
It does not show like wow the
Refresh.
viewers. No, but there's no localization to viewers. You can see the viewers, but not.
As soon as we have something, we'll see some more information, but for the moment we have zero.
But actually, there's one thing. They already have like 10,000, not maybe 10,000. They have a lot of followers in New Caledonia already. So the followers, they will. That's the most important.
Yes.
No, isn't it?
Yes, absolutely. Yes.
Yeah.
But
So,
we need to wait somebody to look so we can have some information. Now it's empty. Because it takes some time to refresh, because it takes some time to do the analytics, because
so
everything,
what
but
do, what to now?
refresh until we see number one.
No, but, okay, but I don't get what you want to do now.
Okay, he put a change in the location. So he forced him to be invisible in one place. So as soon as we see one person looking into this, that one is going to be from the 12, the code, the location, exactly what you did manually.
Ok, est-ce que c'est vrai que d'aller sur...
But he's alive, it's 9 p.m. or time something. Vamos a prepararnos para hacer lo que decías de todas formas en Facebook.
Ok.
Así que me paso a... no Facebook, no. A Business Facebook, ahí estamos. Voy a necesitar compartir mi pantalla y que vos nos guíes exactamente en dónde.
Vamos a verlo. Dejar de
Voy a empezar a
compartir.
compartir en un segundo, decime cuando puedas ver.
Ya estoy.
If the 12 is not correct, we send the publication to a specific location that publicly everybody can see, but it's going to count only the people who is looking into from that place. So somebody from that place needs to look.
Yeah, that's my
And
message.
can you do here
It's
the
net,
location?
like studying.
That's why it's a little late for them, but can you do here define the specific location of the place? Where it is the place mark? The lieu?
Okay, because the lieu.
No, but here in this one, because he need to see to replicate in his place, and we need to take after from here the JSON.
Yeah. So it's there. This.
No, but here in this one, in this computer. Can you replicate it here so he can see? You need to find the JSON
No,
from
but
that.
you need to be logged in with the.
No, you are in user. Okay,
Where
user.
are you? Actually, sorry. Where are you now?
That was in business.
Okay.
So you're saying from here I need to
From
go
MG.
to MG. Give it a second, internet is terrible.
And you need to, but you don't have the. It seems that Basker, but there is a button to be in the administration mode. Cambiar. Yeah. Cambiar.
Okay, now we're admin.
Yeah. And now, okay, like if you change here,
Okay.
then modify, editor, and then here, and this, you click on it.
You click on this.
And then.
Okay, stop please. Can you please click right click and inspection, please?
Yes, 1 second. Give me a second. Give me a second.
But
in the
just
same time.
one second, because he has to choose this one.
Okay.
Yeah, okay, but after anyway, but just before, wait a second. We need to do the inspection. Stop. He need the code to make sure that we have the 12 is the right code. So we need to double check. So again, we come back here. So, no, I don't think so.
Excuse me, click in the left up the I don't know how to say, la flecha a la izquierda, ¿ves? Arriba
Sí.
donde dice al lado del element.
Ya
Apretá
lo
ahí
hice.
y ahora andá y apretá en el location, en el cosito de location. Ahí,
Sí.
apretá ahí, a ver. Apretá ahí. Fíjate si ahí te dice place, ahí tiene, o pone control F y pone place ID, place-ID.
No, no hay nada con place.
Si no, Page ID, bueno, Page ID.
No.
No, el Page ID es el nuevo.
No, pero está acá. Lo que sea está acá adentro. Acá en la batata esta. La tiene cargada en las estadísticas. Y cuando elegimos acá el lugar correcto, sorry, what is the correct option?
2 volt.
So the company.
Yeah.
Okay, wait a second. Don't enter. Which one?
I was link. So
But don't do link. Ah, well. So, it's not. Acá la cambia. Ok, le asigna acá en página un cambio. Estoy aquí. Acá lo tenés. Es este el label. Es este. Ya lo encontramos.
A ver, pone copy, clic derecho, copy element
Te lo
y
paso.
pasámelo a ver.
Lo que yo entiendo es que copy, al hacer la page, lo que trae es la empresa. Y por tanto es un elemento dentro de la
Sí.
empresa. O sea, toma la ubicación, no es por ubicación, sino por empresa. Toma la página de la ubicación de la otra página de la otra empresa.
Si toma la ubicación de la página está correcto, no hace falta, porque el page ID nosotros ya lo usamos para la publicación. Desde Blotato usamos el page ID justamente.
Bueno, entonces estamos bien.
Sí, viene la ubicación de ahí.
Bueno.
Habría que ver, para mí tenés que ver los resultados y después vemos si salen todos en Estados Unidos, vemos por qué. Pero tal vez el único problema es TikTok con eso. Porque acá no está. Estoy aquí, dice.
Sí.
No dice nada.
You are not supposed to touch all the time the place and to do manually.
Sorry?
You are not supposed to touch and do this. You are doing the same. It is already done automatically. When you change the location, you are just doing the same that it was done before. So
It was done before. What was done before?
Okay, let me explain you. In the code, it's extremely clear that it's saying like, you are assigning not a location. It's not a location. But you are assigning. But you are assigning, estoy aquí, so I am here. That means a company page. It is a business. So you are assigning a page. And we are assigning a page. The same page ID, the same when we are doing the publication is the same. So this action you are doing here is not a location. Is you are in a company inside the page of the Facebook for the business. And that page in that, and all this have a location. So you're never assigning directly a location like this. So when we are assigning the location with the page ID, it is the same. Literally the same.
Okay.
So, okay, that is a check. So don't do this manually because we are going to be assigning from the page and to the ID of the page. So it's already done. So it's like doing the same choice. So it's okay. Seguir editando, descartar. Bueno, ya, se lo expliqué. Estamos bien acá.
Okay, I want to share you something in Notion.
Okay, we come back to your presentation. Okay. I'm going to start sharing. Okay.
Well, the publish it's okay in only Facebook for now. And if you go to the Notion, the status of the publish change to publier. Okay, if I go to publish.
Yeah, so normally the automation should change it automatically.
It's done automatically, yes.
Yes, publier. Today, publier.
It did it automatically?
Yes.
Oh, amazing.
Yes.
Okay, just to explain this part, just to make sure, go to the N810 please for a second. We want to share exactly where it is the change in the Notion. Here it is. You see the last one? Can you please open that one? Yes. Look at this one for a second, please. You see what it is here? It is. You are coming the ID, so you know what it is. And you say the state. We change the state. This is the action. So automatically it changes to publish. So yes, it's automatically done the change of the status.
That's amazing. That's really cool.
Yes, the first step, I get all the validate, all the validate, I get first, and if the publish is from today, okay, it's the same from today, he go through. This is for image and this is for video.
Cool.
Now we need to connect Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube for MG.
Yeah. We continue with MC. This one is okay. We want to leave this one for a second until we have a
But
number
he
and
says
delete.
he does not see the publication.
We're talking about MC, no?
You don't see the publication yet?
No, I see it, but it's that guy. But I think that he's mistaken. He's like not in the.
In the right place?
I think he's not in the right place.
We all see it, so that is not a
But
problem.
why? He sees that. That's a sponsorized.
This is a reel. He's looking into the reels or not?
No, it's a publication. It's not real.
Okay, wait. ¿Vos le pusiste ese like?
No.
Alguien le
Travis
puso like.
BTS.
Okay, alguien ya le puso like. In theory, we do have somebody looking and doing something. In theory, we do have statistics, ¿no? Eso quiere decir que deberíamos poder ver las estadísticas de al menos uno, y eso es lo que nos diría dónde lo ven. Si alguien lo ve, o sea, ya una persona además de nosotros lo vio y además hay que ver de dónde. Si sacamos esta información, podemos confirmar la ubicación.
Yeah, I think he's in New Caledonia.
Confirmado, usuario de Nueva Caledonia, estamos todo bien.
Perfect.
No, but it's anyway, it's some it's people who are followers, you know. Like,
Yes, but that means other people, not you, not me, not him, not the developers, no automations. People can see in the right physical place. We are okay. Okay, so another check. Oh, cool. Another check. We continue to the next one.
Still I don't understand why he does not see it.
It's about his only isolated case. Eventually, it will be equal for everybody. And he will see eventually. That means we need to delete the stuff because we totally confirm it is working.
Yeah, but with the client it's not working, so maybe we have to find out, no?
No, because it's working for everybody else except for one person with one
except
selfie.
For the client?
It will be, okay. It is Facebook showing or not showing something to him.
Okay.
We are okay. Literally, just show if you want somebody else from Nueva Caledonia, put a like. So somebody
He is in New Caledonia and he is the client.
Yes.
And he doesn't see it. So maybe we have to understand why he's not seeing it.
Maybe it's a matter of time only. In his particular cell phone, something is really particular.
No, there's a problem.
Okay, I already connect Instagram MG. So I will try if you want.
Dame un segundo, sí. También conecta el otro, porfa, y después vamos a hacer MG Instagram. El cliente es el único que no lo puede ver, que no sabemos por qué.
But yeah, we can try
la publicación.
Yeah.
Now he's getting ready for the next one, but
no, okay, maybe I speak with Cedric by the time, and let's connect Instagram. That's a good thing. Let's do that. Okay. Yeah.
I already
Let's
connected. Do
not
you want
wait.
to?
Let's continue. I don't know.
Okay.
I call the client.
Can I publish on Instagram?
Sí, can you be ready to
I
delete in
sent.
Instagram just in case?
I sent it. No, but we'll delete once.
Don't worry, I'm logging in another window,
Ouais, c'est
so
vrai que,
if you
ouais.
want to delete,
Non, en fait,
I
on
can
essaie
delete.
de résoudre ça. Donc, du coup, toi, quand tu vas sur la page, donc, est-ce que tu peux rafraîchir la page, essayer de voir? Parce qu'en fait, nous, on le voit tous. On voit tous le post. Et va dessus sur ton tu as ton ordinateur. Non, mais oublie ça. Non, t'as pas ton ordinateur. Ah, il est 23h. Même sur le téléphone, moi, ça le montre le post. Et il y a déjà 21 vues et tout. J'en sais, en fait, là, je suis avec Juan, plus le programmeur, on est en train d'essayer de régler cette histoire de publication. Donc, en fait, c'est juste, en fait, là, il faudrait juste se checker. Ouais, mais bon. Et donc, je sais pas, je comprends pas pourquoi. Ce que tu as dû voir passer, ça, c'est peut-être une pub qui s'affiche même sur ton téléphone, mais je sais pas. Est-ce que ton téléphone est récent? C'est sur ton ordi? Bon, là, les pubs, ça, c'est un autre truc, c'est un tout autre sujet. Donc, je vais regarder ça après, d'accord? Mais, euh, mais là, en fait, tu vois même pas le poste du RX5, en fait. Toi, tu vois que le poste, tu vois que le poste du MG3, tu vois même pas le poste du RX5 qui a été. Ah non, c'est pas possible. Il y a un problème avec ton téléphone. Parce que là, même le RX5, il a été publié genre hier. Il a été publié hier. Mais
Valen, te
ça,
pongo
on
al
l'a
tanto.
fait
Él
avant
está
et
hablando con el cliente
on l'a
ahora que está en
validé
Nueva
ensemble et
Caledonia.
tout, quoi.
Mhm.
Él
Je
tampoco ve
voulais te
algo
valider.
de ayer.
Non, mais en fait, c'est pas
No
le voir
entiendo, la
passer, c'est
publicación de
aller
la
sur la
página de él no la
page
está
de
viendo y
MG
nosotros sí.
Ujú.
et juste voir les posts, en fait. Tu vois?
Qué raro eso, ¿no?
Sí, pero es
Donc
puntual de
le
su lado.
RX5, tu le vois pas non plus.
Desde ayer
Ah,
que
ok.
él no tiene ninguna actualización en su celular.
Ah, ok. Pero si se mete por una compu, ¿lo ve, por ejemplo?
No tiene
Sí.
acceso
Ok.
a la compu y allá son las 11 de la noche.
Bon, bah, si demain tu peux, tu peux me dire depuis ton ordi ou pas. Ça, ça- ça. Ok, ça marche. Ouais, allez, bisous, bisous, ciao. Bonne nuit. Bonne nuit. Okay, whatever
He
is
don't
published,
see.
no, whatever has been published by Blotato, he does not see it. He does not see this post, he does not see this post, but he sees this post, all the other posts. So when it's published by Blotato, he does not see them.
Okay, we need to double check. Okay, I'm going to say this in Spanish. Él no puede ver cuando está publicado por Blotato.
Me parece muy raro.
Is that supposed like RX5 is he published it right now? Did you the RX5 post? Did you publish it right now? Because I don't get it. Like it has been published by Blotato, but we did not speak about that post right now.
No, we're only
So-
speaking about the other one. So,
I'm wondering what happened with this RX5 post.
¿vos publicaste algo a través de Blotato en la parte oficial dentro de esta MG antes?
Creo que sí, déjame ver, pensar.
Hay uno, es un vídeo en donde tiene bien grandes las letras
Ayer,
RX5.
¿te acordás? Ayer publiqué sin querer, no sin querer, o sea, lo probé, pero que te mandé, ¿no? ¿No te había mandado? Déjame ver.
¿Cómo lo publicaste? Porque ese que publicaste, si es el mismo el que estamos viendo acá, él no lo puede ver y quiere decir que hay algo que impide que Blotato sea visible para él.
Esta decís, ¿no? ¿La estás viendo?
A ver,
Esta hace 17 horas. ¿Esto no lo ves?
ese no lo ve. El cliente no lo ve, pero todos los demás sí lo ven.
¿Y alguien en Nueva Caledonia lo ve?
Tiene un like y toda la historia.
No sé qué decirte, la verdad, debe estar haciendo algo mal, supongo.
Estamos pensando todos en lo mismo, pero el tema es que da la casualidad de que las dos son de Blotato, entonces no sabemos si es que durante las últimas 24 horas él no puede ver nada nuevo o si es que hay algo de Blotato que no
Mandale
permite
una
que lo vea.
mandale una publicación que hicimos recién de AutoCAD, a ver si la puede ver y ahí te das cuenta que Blotato no es el problema.
Ah, bueno, sí, bueno. Okay, I know it's too late, so he will say no for sure, but what we can do to check if Blotato is a problem for him is to look into AutoCAD from his cell phone, not today, not now, later, to see if he can see Blotato publish stuff. If he can see in AutoCAD, that means it's not Blotato the problem, and it's still something particular from his own cell phone.
Okay.
But if he can see absolutely nothing from Blotato, it's a problem, a big one.
And he will try to enter in incognito, maybe, because maybe the problem is his account, I don't know.
It shouldn't be, because he's literally the owner, and he's also like an admin, so shouldn't be a problem an admin user.
So
If you
strange.
go with your own Facebook and you go on the MG
Facebook, I
page,
saw this one.
We try in incognito, no? Yes, we already tried.
Yes. That was why I told you to do it in incognito, yes.
Yeah. I can send some people to Argentina, maybe but
Just
or maybe
try.
is it like the code, like maybe the code, like the 12 code, maybe it's like it's not showing in this code and doing the exact opposite.
no, the user you shared before and the 21 people, no, no. If not, the number will be really small, almost zero constantly. El motor, nuclear, this one.
This is another problem from him, I think.
Let's see.
Because first of all, I think when I put the 12 place ID,
I have it twice, in fact.
maybe this
Where does this
was a
come
problem.
This one.
But
No, he tested before. He did it yesterday. He did a test.
yesterday?
Yesterday he did this one to prove it, but we never delete it.
yes,
It's okay. Look, and here I don't see published by. I don't take care from who. I don't see from who. I see the same. It's literally his cell phone. The motherfucker cell phone of the client is the one is limiting the capacity to prove all this is working. So
yes, because it's public.
look, my account.
No, but
But look at
no,
this.
because we already had this problem with the like with the other automation. We would see it because we were logged in, and then after other people would
I
not
am
see
not.
it.
Look at this.
Yeah, but I don't know.
This account of Facebook
That
is
means
from
that there is a
Argentina.
problem. Yeah.
Personal account from Argentina. Literally. And it's working. So he did it in incognito and it was working. Literally the 20 people that already saw it working for them. The people who put like is working for them. It is working.
Can you see the views, for example?
Well, then we are going to go into this in particular. I wish to find kind of fast.
Excuse me, is not Benoit Willem Mar, no? The client or who is?
Benoit Guimard is the final client, yeah. But it's not Benoit Guimard that does not see it. It's the intermediate.
Okay. Because Benoit can see and put like yesterday. And he's in New Caledonia too, no?
Yes,
no?
yes.
Okay.
So yes.
So the location it's okay. And Benoit can see the publish. Because he like it.
The statistics by country are the only ones are not refreshed yet because they say we don't have enough data to show something. So we need to wait more according to this.
I will search about this
more,
problem,
but
but
it's still not enough.
to be sure, but
We come back to the same. Every single one, literally every single one, except the client can see it. And yes, the user that put like is the one from Nueva Caledonia, yes. But the statistics inside Facebook is still not showing New Caledonia. So we need to wait a little more time until some more people see it. Therefore, it can show the official statistics that is going to be the irrefutable way to say it is working correctly. So it is a matter of time and collection of data now. Estoy mirando en las métricas de Metricool y no me actualiza la fecha de hoy, así que hoy no tengo nada para analizar, pero mañana lo voy a poder ver también acá. Tomorrow I will be able
Okay.
to tell you because it's going to be for whatever we did today.
Yeah, so
So
we leave it. We leave the publication.
I'm sorry, but yes.
Yeah, okay, no problem. The important is that it does not say bullshit. If it does not say bullshit, it's okay. And it's important that it was validated. That's why I was asking if it was him for the test that validated the publication or
Yes.
if it was validated previously.
Bon. Okay, next one.
Okay.
I asked him demain. Checker.
I'm ready to publish in Instagram if you want.
No, wait a second. Okay, you did? Okay, cool.
No, I didn't publish yet.
So when you're ready, let me know.
I'm ready to publish in Instagram.
I will try to connect as another user, well, this one, and try to search. Search. Is MC right all the time?
Yes, I'm connected. If you can, I manage all. I'm here.
Okay, now I want to see as a third party looking outside and after refreshing and looking and finding what you publish.
Okay.
Okay, we
I'm
have it.
logging with the account. This account, eh?
Yep,
Okay,
no,
not
cool,
mine.
perfect. Yes, okay, stay there for a second when you want.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Go into any Instagram that in this time we're going to do from choose any other thing, not the official one. He's already as official, log it as MG, so don't use that one. Use a personal, anything else except that one. I am also logging here with another one. This one is MG. Sorry, this one is AutoCast. Looking into like a third party in MG.
Yeah.
And no, because this time we need to double check. Other account. So you are in personal?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Sí, porfa, mándalo.
Okay.
Okay, that is done.
Okay, se completa todo.
Le cambiaste el estado, ¿no? Para que lo tome como uno correcto de hoy y listo para publicar.
Sí, lo que yo hago en el workflow es que siempre arranca de arriba para abajo. Primero publica acá, primero acá, primero acá, entonces en el último cambia el estado.
No,
Pues
ok.
ahora ya está cambiado el estado.
Pero para...
Okay, now it's gone. It's gone.
Ah, and you saw before in personal. Okay, let me check in my personal. So the one I have here is MG3 and now refresh.
Here. You already seen here.
Yeah, I see it here.
Yeah.
Okay, we see it. It is public, so people can see it.
Yes. Do you want to I erase or not? It's from tomorrow, the publish.
We keep it for one day or we delete it now?
We can it's late but we can leave it and it's okay.
How you want
Yeah,
that?
it's been published, we'll leave it.
Okay, lo dejamos y pasamos al siguiente.
Okay.
Acá ningún problema. Okay, so next one.
MC has TikTok.
Yes.
We come back to TikTok, Ale. Yes. I will try to look into
I need credentials from TikTok to connect.
MC.
I think I have to send it.
MC. I don't have it here.
Where is
MC.
it?
Which one is it? We have MC, motor, well, several things. Do you have the right one?
No, I actually don't find the credentials. I don't find them. Why I don't find them? They were supposed to make them.
Él está buscando ahora. En teoría tenían
Sí.
que ellos crearla. Así que nada, va a buscar.
Bueno, ya que está en YouTube, hay que buscarla también. We
¿YouTube?
need YouTube to...
Ah, sí, perdón, tenés razón. Sí, sí, sí. Do you have the YouTube credentials? In the meantime, you look
No,
into
it's
this one.
all together.
Ah. Okay. Well,
But I didn't I send it to you? Maybe can you check if you received a mail from me?
a mail? Never.
Yeah, by mail. All the credentials.
No, by WhatsApp. And the ones you sent to me, I share with him. That's why WhatsApp is so amazing, because you have only one place and only one. But honestly, if they don't create it, it's kind of complicated. Because MC, millions. MC Motors, the same number, millions. Motor NC, no. NZ, no, impossible.
Gmail.
I go to the toilet. I let you good company. Vale, vengo en un rato, voy al baño.
Okay.
Man, this is an escape room.
Yeah.
Do you have a tournevis? Quelque chose pour
No,
fixer?
no. Okay. Actually, we for that, Valentine, what we
Yes.
can do is that once I have the credentials, I will send it to you by uh, WhatsApp. Okay?
Okay. Okay. When you share with me the credentials, I connect with
Yeah,
Blotato,
yeah, yeah.
and I will try here.
It's already working, so we know that it's working. So that's cool.
Yes, yes, I already know how to do, and
So it
only
works like if it is a still image, just an image, or if it is a video. That in both cases it will work. Okay. I have
yes,
a question.
perfect,
Do you have
perfect.
an idea if we can create carousel?
Um, I don't know how to do in which social media
In Facebook and Instagram.
carousel. You say more than one image, no?
Yes, exactly. You know, like when you have several images. Be-
Okay, I think I don't develop this because I talk with Juan and only he says one image for start, but uh, we can discuss and I can improve and try to do.
yes, because actually we have some carousel posts also to create. Just one thing is that is it okay that we can say, for example, by default it's publishing on all the platforms, but can we choose also like which platform to publish, or is it fully automatic?
For now, it's fully automatic for all social media,
Okay, yeah.
but we can do this. Maybe if we put some column in the Notion and select the social media that we want to share. For example, I can extract this info from Notion, and with a code, I can share in this only in this social media. I can manage this, but for now it's for all social media.
Hmm. Okay, okay, okay. So
For
maybe
example,
we can add for the social media we can add a LinkedIn, huh?
yes, yes,
We
yes.
can add
We can
LinkedIn.
add all social media that we want.
So
For example, this is for image. Image only Instagram, Pinterest, or Facebook. But YouTube has an image, no? And
mm,
video, YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. I want you to know that Pinterest, to share in Pinterest, the account must be verified. Verified,
Verify.
yes,
ah,
yes.
They need to do the verification in their site. We try to do it
It's a
before, some days
condition.
before, and
It's a condition
yeah, it is a condition to publish.
mm,
And we cannot do it.
to be
They need to do
automated.
it because it is up to them to do locally.
mm. Okay, okay.
It's
Okay,
only only
what I will
Pinterest.
do is that I will do like we have to check about this the other problems, the other publication problems, and like we had to check about the TikTok thing and all. So I have to call them
Okay.
to have them
That is
in
in
a
the same
call,
list. Yeah.
and so
Okay.
we
Okay.
yeah.
Okay.
We need to include
I
that in
have
the
no.
list to do with the client because they need to verify. They need to literally do a verification themselves.
Hmm.
In the best scenario, you can guide them to do a verification.
But I'm wondering, like TikTok, do I ask them to create a new account? Or
But they didn't
anyway,
create the account. Wait,
no,
wait,
no,
wait,
no,
wait,
no,
wait.
no,
There
no.
is no
But
account.
I was speaking about TikTok in the AutoCAD TikTok. But if we do the work on MG and BYD, maybe they did not create the account. I don't find the mail. I don't know how to search it. Um,
Look, we proven we can grow something. Probably they didn't do it at all. Maybe that's why you don't find. So I would like to do a list of actions to do a meeting with them to say, check if you create this one. If not, we do it. But if we do it, we run this risk. It's better if you do it.
Yeah, but no, what I want is to have them on phone and they do it directly. I guide them.
Yes.
So they have to create the Gmail and all.
Yeah.
When we finish the
Gmail you share with me, there is a Gmail.
Oh, if you find this,
Yes,
we'll find all
Gmail.
the rest.
Bueno, ok. Perdón, Valen, dame un segundo. Voy a buscar una cosa que creo que yo sí tengo.
Okay.
Que él me compartió. Que esto era de MG. Dame un segundo, que creo que hay algo que él ya me había compartido. No. ¿Cuál descifraste? No, el descifraste. AutoCAD no me da Gmail. No. Creo que manera no. 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 Instagram, no. Okay, let's check here. The TikTok. I'm afraid. That's the last one. No, we don't have it. They created a version of. I want to remember because I remember I saw at some place emails they created.
Yeah, I'm almost sure that I received something like that.
Oh, okay, just let me check my emails. Menos. Ok, te pongo al tanto en español. Creemos que tenemos los emails de Gmails para crear TikTok, pero no encontramos los emails. Si es el caso, es porque nos dieron a nosotros la capacidad de hacer los emails, perdón, de usar los emails, pero no lo encontramos. De todas formas, lo que nos queda claro es que aunque nos hubiesen dado eso, la acción de crearlos depende de ellos, no de nosotros. Porque sabemos que si no puede haber un problema en la parte de cuando vayan a negocio y que pongan la ubicación y que no lo puedan seleccionar.
Okay. Claro, tienen que
Basically,
hacer eso.
anyway, they need to do the action of create it to make sure it is in the right geolocation. So even if you have it, we cannot use it because probably we are going to create the same like AutoCAD.
I'm searching in TikTok if the account exists and doesn't appear. For example, MG Motor New Escalera.
Look, Autovolt.
Directly Autovolt?
Ouais. Volt.
No, I want to see if it is something here.
Yeah, no, but
okay, let's see into this.
Because sometimes it can be MG underscore Autovolt. It could be MG Autovolt.
But we don't see any MG logo.
No, but there is like dozens of put MG space.
Oh, it's still the same. MG Auto. It's going far away, huh? After it's totally different.
I think the account
Maybe they didn't create them.
I find the account from YouTube.
Oh wait? No, wait. From YouTube. Can you share with me the link, please?
Yes. share it in WhatsApp.
That is YouTube.
That's AutoVolt, but it's not MG
But it
or
is no, but this is YouTube. It's not
yeah, but
TikTok.
but this is AutoVolt. It's not MG or BYD. It's the concession name.
Ah,
Okay, it's not this one. Okay.
no, this is nothing.
Okay. Okay, so we have to find out for that. Okay, so so Vadim, can we say that now?
No, he's not Vadim. He's Valentin.
Sorry,
Don't worry, don't worry.
Valentin. I'm really sorry.
I understand.
So now, can we say that for MG and BYD, whenever they validate, it will publish right now? So I don't need to publish anymore.
Yeah, because
Yes,
we didn't
yes, I
automate.
can automate. I need only the credentials and try
So which
one
credentials
time.
do you need more?
TikTok.
No, but for the moment, we can still publish on Facebook and Instagram, huh?
Yes.
Yes,
So Instagram, is it made?
Yes.
Is it
yes.
validated?
Yes. The one we check it right now. Yes.
Okay.
I check
I
in the
already.
public here. I check it my cell phone over
Okay.
there.
So for both of
Done.
them, MG and BYD, it's done.
Not yet
No, we need
BID.
to do the other one. BYD, we need to test.
Okay, yeah.
We put it, everything is done. He did the last connection, but we need to test it in front of you so you see it is working.
Yeah.
You want to do BYD?
Yeah, we can do it. Right now it's like 12, so no one will see it and we can erase it directly.
Okay. Okay, this is just fine. So cool, perfect.
Okay,
Now we need
okay.
to shift to the other workflow to BYD, please. BYD.
Yes. Later, for be sure, I will share with you a list that with the credentials that I need. So to be clear, okay?
Oh, just one thing. We
Yes.
do we agree like it's published at the date that is
Yeah, that's what it is.
yeah.
Yes.
So if it is validated and the date is before, what happens? It's published right now.
No,
The,
no. Open. No,
this
no.
is
Please go back to
this
the
one.
workflow. The answer
Yes.
is there. Literally show the workflow. The answer is there. We don't need to think too much on this one.
No. That I want to tell. When we are all ready to automate, this won't be a problem, okay? Because here the idea is that
Yeah. Okay.
I
Yeah.
when I active this workflow, the workflow start every day at one time, maybe 1 a.m.
At
the
1 a.m.
time
Yes.
what you want, okay? So every day do a workflow. So every day we control if there is a publish to do. Okay, this is what this work.
Well, fine. Okay. Here is his. You see this means today, and the other one is published. So there are two variables. At the same, both are correct. Is published. If not, it is accepted. Yes, but not published. When it is
Valid,
accepted
yes.
and the right day, it is published.
Yeah,
So
but
we don't program when it's going to be launched. We don't launch until it is the right time.
okay, but if for example we put I put online I propose they miss the date, for example, so they validate
Exactly.
after
Open
the
this
date.
one.
What
Yes.
happens
Okay, let me show you here directly. The answer is we're going to publish automatically.
when
Automatically.
the same day? So if it is validated
Let me
and
show
the
you.
date is prior, is
Yes.
before, it will still publish.
Yes.
So that was my question. That's it.
Yes, but the logic is the same we run everywhere. So this one is incorrect.
Yeah,
We need
so
to change all of this.
no, so no need to, like
Okay.
my question was like if it is validated and the date is before but was not published, it will still publish it.
Yes, immediately. As soon recognizes that scenario, it is published directly.
Yeah, but it means that all the validated things that are not that did not change their status, like all the ones before, are validated but not published because the status is not published. So it will publish them.
That is something we
But
need to change right now.
the idea that I have is that
Right now.
this fits we
So
will
what shall we do?
fix
Like
this.
all
To
the
change manually right now?
yeah.
Yes.
No, but
Yes,
but
yes.
still it did not
This
do
is,
that. So it's not doing that. It did not do that.
It's true.
So it's not doing that.
for example, if we
Ok,
go,
no, lo voy a
here,
decir en español porque quiero que quede claro,
sí,
porque creo que acá hay algo que él tiene razón. El histórico en la base de Notion, acá en este
sí,
histórico,
sí.
nadie manualmente cambió a publicado cuando sí se publicaron. Por tanto, quiere decir que si lo ponemos a andar ahora, todos los viejos que manualmente no se cambiaron a publicados son que están validados y y con una fecha vieja.
Sí.
O sea, falta una acción manual de cambiar todos los viejos a publicados. Si no, con esta misma lógica, todos los viejos se van a publicar automáticamente.
No, pero pará, lo que hay que hacer es arreglar, lo que hay que hacer es usar la fecha correcta. Con eso te olvidas de lo anterior. No tiene que haber si alguien se olvida de poner la fecha acá, sería un problema, por ejemplo. Porque no importa que si es fecha pasada, ya pasó, ya no lo va a tener en cuenta el workflow. Lo importante es que diga validé y que sean fechas que todavía no pasaron. Eso es
No, es un
lo
error eso,
importante.
porque lo que dice que lo más probable es que pasa es que se validan después de la fecha que estás diciendo.
Ah, ok.
Por tanto,
Bueno,
se disparan todos los viejos que están validados, pero no manualmente cambiados a publicados. Como esa acción manual no se hizo, entonces estamos en la situación donde todos los validados y viejos van a dispararse automáticamente.
hagamos una cosa, hagámoslo ahora. Son
Exacto.
cuatro,
Okay,
son
there are only
tres.
four,
Las
we can change it
revisamos.
manually. That's the point.
Sorry?
The ones that are in the situation you mentioned are only four.
For what? For
Four scenarios. So here, if you do the filter, you will see only four. So manually, we put away right now.
yeah, no, but this one with this one was validated prior, but I don't think it has been, and this one has to be published because it has not been published.
So that was okay, but
No,
look at
but
the
let
rest.
me check. I don't know. I'm looking at that.
Okay, don't worry. The solution is that we will check the free of this. If any publish are post, we put a date from tomorrow or more than today, and we fix the problem.
No, because the people eventually, over time, in dynamic, they will be late.
That will
Entiendo,
happen.
Juan, pero si vos pones esto con fecha que viene y después aparece uno validado con fecha anterior, lo va a publicar igual. Lo importante es que esto ya lo solucionamos estos tres que son el problema. Si nosotros le ponemos una fecha posterior a la de hoy, ya está solucionado esto. Si después aparece uno con fecha anterior,
No,
también
la
se
solución
publica.
acá es poner los validados que faltan poner como publicados manualmente, terminar el trabajo.
¿Sí?
El
Sí, por
trabajo
eso.
manual de marcar estado publicado, nada más. No jugar con las
Bueno,
fechas.
pero ponele que no está publicado. Vos tenés que publicarlo estos tres. Le pones una fecha posterior y vamos con eso que dicen ustedes, que si la fecha es igual o anterior, se publica. Pero ya estos no van a estar en el problema. ¿Entiendes?
No sé
Es
si
lo mismo igual.
Él está revisando ahora. No, tenés razón, pero él está ahora revisando si están publicados.
Ok.
We need to check literally each one if they are or not published. Literally.
Estén o no publicados, lo solucionamos. Eso es lo importante.
For
No hay
example,
problema.
those two ones, they have to be published, but it has been forgotten. They have been validated, and it was forgotten to. And
So
but
they
did not
validated
publish.
and they forgot.
No, I did not publish it.
So
They
it's okay we
validated.
push it to.
Yeah, we can push it in future. But
Okay.
what I mean is that, but it shows that it could not do that. Like it has been over time, and still did not publish it.
Somebody didn't publish.
The automation.
We run the automation for one single case, only one. We force to be only one case.
Okay.
But that's why we do with you, to do only one, and if it is not right, we delete one, not 1 million.
Okay.
So, we're okay. Ok, por el momento, dos de las que he vistos ahí tienen que ser publicadas, pero no las publicó nadie. O sea, alguien las autorizó y nadie las publicó. Ahora están mirando por la
Ok,
tercera.
For example,
perfecto.
it can happen. You see that one that we did. There is a problem here. Okay,
Why?
there was a problem. They say there is this problem, so we have to fix it. So it's in the past.
Yes.
You see, it's in the past. It's 33. So if we fix it, will it be still published
Yes.
the next day?
Yes.
Sure.
Yes.
Okay.
But somebody needs. The date is not a problem if they put validate.
Okay.
The
So
problem is the manual activities that has been published and not changed published. If that is a problem. So you need to finish the manual steps of publish. If not, the publish will republish.
exactly.
So that is what you need to finish manually. So finalize this so we can start doing the automation.
Juan, acá estoy viendo dos problemas igual. Antes de bueno, la que cambió tenía una imagen que tenía 4 imágenes pegadas. Eso no sé qué va a salir. Lo mismo que esto que tiene 2. Bueno, ahí lo sacó.
Lo está cambiando ahora, no te das problema. Sí, lo está mirando ahora y lo está cambiando. O sea, a ver, hay basura
Pero
en
él
el
me
medio,
estaba
la está limpiando.
publicando. Sí, me estaba preguntando por un carrusel hace un rato. Lo que le dije que está preparado para una imagen, para una sola, pues era lo que habíamos hablado, que tengo que ver si lo puedo hacer con carrusel, porque en esa había 2 imágenes, por ejemplo. Mirá.
No me acuerdo si eso es posible, pero yo me acuerdo que habíamos visto dentro de Blotato carrusel. Lo que no me acuerdo es si va a funcionar en todos.
Does not work.
Lo debería probar.
I cannot
¿Ves? Y
filter
esta,
by state.
Why? Refresh the
Oh
page.
no, now okay, I can do like that.
Okay, how long
It
is
shows only one.
Do you have any other filter? You have two, ETA and something else? ¿Cuántos, si vos pones el filtro por validados, ahora, cuántos elementos te aparecen? Porque ahora no sé por qué él solo puede ver una sola. ¿Cuántos ves?
porque pasó 2 a publicado.
Sí.
1, pero...
So he see the same, it's okay.
No,
You
there is
change...
like plenty which has been validated. I don't know why
Validated and not
put into published. Plenty.
somebody did, ¿eh?
No.
Pero lo hizo recién, ¿eh? Si yo lo estaba viendo y
Yes.
desaparecieron.
Según él, dice que si vos miras más en el pasado, hay más elementos y que de alguna manera no se están viendo acá.
No. I think, you know what? I think...
Dice publicar.
No. I did not change this state. So I think that the automation has changed all the previous state.
No, imposible. Haceme un favor, porfa. No, it is searching by ID. So it's impossible. It's doing one at a time.
I did not change the state to publish.
Vamos a revisarlo. Necesitamos revisar una cosa dentro de NTain. Si cambió el estado de todos los que estaban pendientes o no. But it is easy. You change to the web
El
page.
único que se cambió fue el de...
Sí, anda a la ejecución, porfa. Queremos ver las
¿El de
ejecuciones
hoy?
nada más. Sí. Ver si en ejecuciones, cuántos cambió de estado de validado a publicado.
Why is it programming?
Hoy uno solo.
Only one.
No, but would you programmer? So
No, he don't touch el programa.
I did not put programmer.
No, yes. So, maybe, listen, maybe you are seeing my screen?
Yes.
Because I did a test not this week, but last week. I do test from Prete and Examine to go to validate and then to publish. This is another workflow, okay? I can share with you how.
But that is affecting production or not?
No.
So
no,
it's
maybe,
not. So no.
yes.
So don't show us something it is not touching production because he's looking only in production.
Okay, but maybe I change this status. For
Validation
example,
one.
this is from 23 of September. Maybe I put prete-examine and
No, we are not looking those. We are looking in the ones that are valide, that have been
okay.
passed to publié, but it was not today in this particular example.
Okay, I don't know. Maybe.
Somebody modified the state of many things, and he say it was not him. So he's asking if it
Yes,
is us. It was you, the
maybe
person who changed all valide.
maybe I was me
Okay.
testing. Yes.
Okay, so maybe maybe that's the thing. Yeah. Okay.
Okay, just to make sure, do we have exactly what the client is expecting, or we break something?
I don't know. Right now I don't know.
Oye, give me a second.
No,
Tenemos
but
el riesgo de que estos cambios que hiciste
no,
puede
but
ser que hayan alterado
I
lo que el
look
cliente espera.
the ones that was before and that says programmed MG3 hybrid, but that one is not programmed. It was still there was that state has just been changed right now from
Yes,
pré-être examiné to
yeah, but he did right now manually.
no, but it should not be programmed. That one had a problem, so it should not be programmed.
That was literally him touching line now in front of us.
This one,
Yes.
be careful, guys, and don't change the states like
That's
without.
what I just said. Porfa, no cambies nunca un estado,
Okay.
nunca un estado, porque eso es lo que él
No.
está diciendo, que si vos cambias un estado y él o el cliente no lo tiene perfectamente alineado por como tiene que ser, nosotros la estamos cagando fuerte, porque le estamos
Sí, sí,
diciendo
sí.
un estado diferente al que ellos ya tienen planificado. Ese
Yo
es el
un día
riesgo del
sí.
programé, del etapre, de todo eso que ya has dicho, todos esos, no, o sea,
No,
no se
yo no
toca.
lo toco nunca. El tema es que hace como 3 semanas que esto estaba clavado y yo estaba haciendo los test y de hecho publiqué una porque tenía la fecha, no sé si te acordás, yo te lo compartí eso. Una seguro que lo publiqué.
Pero es solo uno, estamos mirando acá que son todos. Acá lo que él dice que todos cambiaron, no que uno. El uno no es un problema, todos es un problema.
Sí, a ver.
No, but it's okay,
Lo
it's
que,
okay, it's okay.
lo que podemos hacer,
Just that one.
You
we
have
can
a bunch of
control.
program named sí.
If we select all,
I
all
think
the
that
filters.
all the prêt-à-être examiné has been changed automatically to programming. It looks like, I don't know, but it's okay. It's okay. It's in the past. The ones in the past, we don't care. And now
Which one are the ones we need to take in?
all the future and that one which needs a correction.
Yes, yes, I did that change. Tansen, I did that.
Okay, so
We can control with the date and change to the right stat if you want.
as it is exactly right now, the right stat is correct as it is right now. The question is, the automation
Okay.
is going to change again something that we don't want?
No.
Okay, so that's the answer. The more we dig into this, the more problem we are going to create.
Okay, perfect.
So that's it. We drop it here. When they put validate, it's going to be doing the automation as it is supposed to be done, and it's going to change the status to publish only if it is published. So we are okay. Okay, so we stop
Okay.
touching. So no more touching here, and only the touching is from the client, or after we absolutely make certain the automation work it correctly.
Ok, hay que modificar los que dicen prete a examinar.
No, no,
Entonces
no, no,
también.
no, 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 no. No, porque el cliente tiene que hacer. Eso está bien, no toques eso. Eso está bien, eso es a lo que él dijo varias veces. No lo toques.
Ok. Déjame ver cómo era este que yo tenía.
Él lo que dice es, cuando él termine de hacer cosas manuales, vos lo vas a ver en un único estado. no necesitas tocarlo ni cambiar ningún estado si ellos todavía están trabajando en cosas manuales.
Perfecto.
Entonces, está bien, no hace falta tocar más nada.
Listo.
Only will work only in the case that they validate manually. That's all. If they don't validate, there is no automation.
Yeah.
Finito. Okay.
Okay, that's perfect.
Okay.
No, yo los cambié porque tenías que hacer test y se iban a publicar si lo ponía bien. Entonces lo pasaba a otro estado por eso, más que nada, para que no se publiquen cosas
No,
que
no,
no
no,
podía
está bien,
borrar.
pero no más test. Esto que está en producción quiere decir, se tira a producción,
Listo.
literalmente se tira la carne al asador y ya se tiró, ya está.
Ok, perfecto. Claro, porque VID es el que... Claro, ahí está. Ahora sí. No, esto no sé por qué está en pretext. A mí lo haber cambiado por un test. Porque VID has another workflow that generate a post and change the status to examine from the client.
Sí, pero ahora estamos en por eso hiciste muy bien al separarlos correctamente, asegurándote de que no haya, que sean diferentes, porque cada cliente va a tener sus cosas.
Sí, por eso. No, era imposible hacerlo todo junto, no sé. Sí.
Bueno, bien, vamos al siguiente.
¿VID?
Sí, estos están bien, esto ya todo se publica.
Ahora lo que deberíamos hacer, lo que yo les decía, era que quedaron 4 validados, según lo que hizo ahora Tansen.
Sí.
3 validados, perdón.
Should we do the action of this? The one you put validated? We should publish all 3 right now? The one you changed to validated.
Which one I changed to validated?
You changed to validated some stuff. We should take the action immediately to push them on?
No, now it's 12 p.m. there.
From the one it is old.
Okay, sorry, I had to do an emergency, but what, I don't get it.
Finish and after we look into this.
What validated? What did I change?
Okay.
Validated.
¿Podrías mostrar en la pantalla los 3 que me decís que están validados?
No, perdón, estaba mirando mal. Hay uno solo, it's okay. It's only one.
It's only one. Okay, not 3.
Which one?
Sorry,
What?
sorry.
This one.
I
From
didn't
tomorrow,
validate
it's
anything,
okay.
so I don't get what you mean.
This one is the only one validated and it's 26. It's for tomorrow. So it will be in tomorrow, literally 1 a.m. for us. Tomorrow.
Yeah, that's perfect.
Okay, that's okay?
Yeah, that's perfect. I've changed it.
Because
it was in the past. It was here, so I've put it in the future because I thought it was not working.
No, okay.
Yeah, perfect.
Okay, perfect. To be clear, today I put a trigger from the workflow that every day at 1 a.m. Do the workflow.
Yes.
If the data time is the same from the day or before, we publish. Okay?
Yes.
Perfect.